this is. I wouldn't want this on my.
They make.
On my shelf.
There's this company. You'll find it at any like miniature store nowadays. It's like this super easy paint that like something about the way that its consistency and its chunks in it and the way that it dries, it will like automatically highlight and create darker, like it'll fill in the cracks and like create darker spots and highlights. It'll just make it look textured just doing with one coat.
Oh,
it's
really?
really nice, yeah. Super easy.
Well, maybe that's the paint everyone's been referring to, and they've just been calling it paint.
Citadel. I can't believe that just came back to me. It's called Citadel.
It's just the standard paint everybody uses now. We've just like, no, that's not. You don't just paint something and it look nice.
But
that doesn't happen.
Nowadays you can.
Oh. Well, when we start Warhammer 40,000 instead of this, we'll have to paint our armies.
Yeah.
So choose well.
Yeah.
You guys don't know that that's actually been a discussion quite a lot.
I almost got into it a couple times.
I do it with Legos.
We were going to do Warhammer 40,000. And Henry Cavill was going to come teach us how.
Oh, of course he was.
It was a whole thing. We were going to podcast it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, we did talk about that.
Yeah, no, we had a plan.
I remember. Because we were going to be famous and big in the space of TTRPG, and then we were going to switch to the Warhammer. And
it was going to be like, Henry Cavill could really go for teaching a couple of rejects how to play Warhammer 40,000.
He would love it
on YouTube.
If we could actually get in contact with him and he could actually see it was genuine, he'd probably be 100% down.
We're the right demographic. We just don't know how.
Random person accidentally clicks on the stream and it's 4 losers and Henry Cavill.
Isn't that the perfect stream though?
And then it just turns into a conspiracy of how are they faking it? That AI looks so good. What are they doing? And they're trying to figure out how we're faking it.
The AI must have. They've got somebody who could really imitate him really well, and they just did an AI deep fake over it.
We just actually have Henry Cavill sitting there. As we're talking shit about our jobs for half of the time.
Yes.
That's hilarious.
which he totally cannot relate.
I end up making them a couple of certificates.
He's muscle certified.
Yeah.
He's Warhammer certified. What's the Lego scandal?
Oh, man.
Oh, you know about the Lego scandal?
The Draper one? Or no, American Fork.
The American Fork bullshit?
Bricks and minifigs?
Actually...
I just know there's been a lot of arrests.
This is one of the states that's involved in it.
What?
I just know there's a lot of arrests, but I don't know what's actually happening.
What? How can Legos be a scandal?
No, it's the reseller scandal.
They're called Bricks and Minifigs. It's a store that resells. They'll take your old Legos and resell them, and miniatures and cards and all sorts of stuff like that. But
GameStop.
Bricks and Minifigs, yes.
It's
the GameStop of.
Yeah, it's like
D&D.
Basically, like a third-party bricks and mortar Lego store. It's a franchise.
I've watched all of the videos about all of it. I'm very up to date with it.
Good, because I'm not as up to date as I should be.
Should this be something I know about?
It's very fascinating. Yeah.
So it started in
and it's
Oregon. That's where all the crime happened.
There's crime with this? Is it Lego bricks filled with cocaine?
No, just theft.
How can Lego be...
Are they stealing it from legit stores or?
Oh, they're stealing them in the first place. Man.
No, there was a guy who had a ton of Star Wars Legos.
And wasn't it on loan?
The world record, a record holding most Star Wars Legos collection in the world.
Like $150,000, $200,000 worth.
He's an old man. He's retiring. He's like, I'm to cash in. It's the whole point of collecting them. And so, it was like a couple $100,000, allegedly a couple $100,000 worth.
And so he takes it to this bricks and minifig.
There's some serious Lego collectors out there that would probably pay a lot for that stuff.
They take it, and then all of a sudden the store gets corporate comes in and says, "All right, we're shutting down. We're shutting down."
Yeah, it was a hostile takeover situation type of thing. because the managers that did own it, because
the franchisees, they're just it's like a mom and pop.
We're getting accused of something completely different, and so they're going to come in and take it over from them. So they take it over.
Right, because they didn't meet the franchise guidelines.
Didn't show enough of them chicken
whatever.
nuggets.
Right.
Yeah.
That's a good way to put it. It's like it's a hostile takeover.
And then when the new owners there, they meet the expensive Legos disappear. And so the guy who was supposed to get the money never got his money for selling those Legos. And anytime he ever went in there to just be like, hey, try to talk to him, they'd call the cops, get him, say you're trespassing and stuff like that. And like, the guy's just completely out of his Legos. That's it. The biggest Star Wars collection.
Yeah, it went viral.
Jeez.
The whole
the
whole Lego world was talking about
there's this YouTuber who's like known for like sneaking into cults and like exposing very corrupt people and places and things. So this guy, he approaches this YouTuber like, I don't know if you can help me with anything. Like, things can't get any worse, really.
Yeah.
It's already gone, but I mean, if you could pull anything off, there's some weird corruption going on. They stole it. Who knows where these things were? And then this YouTuber's made some. This is where the waves start happening, and he's like, turns out that there's these two corrupt guys who are actually from Utah, who
of course
have bought the bricks and minifig in Oregon, and they like. It seems like they knew what was happening. They intentionally did this to get the Star Wars Legos. And this isn't the first time they've done that. They've done it to a couple other bricks and minifig stores. And it's this huge just mess. And like this YouTuber did some pretty insane things. His name's Reckless Bid, and he's reckless. He lives up to his name. And, he ended up doing a bunch of stuff that he's recorded everything. So he has all the evidence of like them admitting that they did wrong, that they stole it. And so he came to Utah because he wants to take them to court. Take him to court, he has to serve him the papers. So he came here to Utah to serve him the papers, and then they called the American Police Department to come and arrest the kid because he's trespassing, and started saying, oh yeah, they're selling drugs, they've been harassing me, they've been threatening to kill me and our neighbors, and like, so the owner that's in American Fork like has been starting just all this stuff, and the cops down there are just doing whatever he says.
They're about as corrupt as you could get.
Yeah.
So it's been exposed, and it's not looking good for American Fork Police Department.
So now the department's probably getting audited at this point.
Well, I don't know.
You'd think the whole world's eyes on them.
Internal
affairs. And it's pretty nasty for them.
And like it's showing.
So the initial legal thing was people were sending in their Legos to get sold, and they were just disappearing.
Yeah.
Essentially.
Yep.
Okay.
So it was consignment then? Because they didn't pay the guy outright for the Legos. This must be consignment.
Yeah, so that's one of the things that they weren't supposed to do. Is it was like a corporate standard. You're not supposed to do consignment. You're supposed to pay, because normally people don't have that many Legos. You just buy them from them and you go sell them, right? But it's such a huge amount, they had to do a contract, consignment contract, and it's where things got really messy.
It's different than what I thought it was, because I saw a handful of news clips, and they were showing footage of cops raiding a house and pulling out boxes of brand new Legos.
The Lego, that's the thumbnail of it.
Yeah,
but
that's what I kept seeing over and over again. And so I don't understand what this is. I know there's arrests happening or whatever.
When Ben came to Utah, he had to do an whatever those DMV things, and so he was just in the basement of someone's house. So the owners are upstairs. And the owners are like, we hear them downstairs talking about stolen Legos. And we don't know who these guys are. And so they're the ones that called the cops. And that's the Sandy cops or something. So somehow the Sandy department got involved in it. And so they came in and they full on they heard about some of this from the American Fork, and they're like, oh, it's this Ben guy who's been harassing this other person, and so they just went in with guns.
Guns a-blazing.
And it was the owner person's Airbnb or whatever?
Yeah.
Oh. The guy who was, like, doing the fraud.
No. That's
just a VRBO owner.
Oh, okay.
He just overheard them talking about stolen Legos.
But overheard the fraud guys, the ones that...
In his
No, the investigator. The
YouTuber.
Oh,
the
he overheard the
investigative
YouTuber.
Who was
Gotcha.
in his basement renting it out.
Gotcha.
Yeah. And so it's like, and then when the cops are like, oh, we know who this is, this Ben YouTuber.
This is a big deal. Let's
we
go
know
in.
This is a big deal. Let's go in there with ready.
Guns a-blazing.
We make names for ourselves.
Yeah.
Not in the way you meant.
Uh-huh.
My gosh.
Jeez, that's a mess.
Yeah.
Yeah, it went viral. Like, yeah, everybody's talking about it. I mean, obviously not everybody, but the Lego community is watching closely.
Yeah, and so
as well as the police corruption
American Ford
community.
guys, yeah, and the corrupt dude, he started stacking so many
Like false charges.
yeah, just all these charges on him that there's a warrant, like Ben had a warrant, and like there's nothing he could do, and he booked it to Mexico. So he's been in Mexico for a few months.
The Ben guy?
Yeah. And so.
Oh, jeez.
Well, a false report to the police is a crime in and of itself.
Yeah, and that's why all the other stuff here is like in America, where all that investigation sort of happening, and like American Fort, like citizens were. There was a day sometime in June where they protested their department. Like, so like other people are taking, initiative to help and do some things where they can. But
Oh my.
yeah, it's pretty despicable. Like there's a lot that goes on, and I think there's one part, and I don't know why no one else really mentions this specifically, but like, so one of the biggest problems is like he's parked outside. Ben, the YouTuber, parked outside in the vehicle, and you have to get you should get somebody from the court to deliver it. So he's got somebody to do that, and he's in her car. Like, and they're like, they're trying to figure out how to do this, because anytime they go to the house, he calls the cops, and like the cops got called like at least a dozen times in one day, and so they're just there, and they're like gonna arrest him.
But the cops don't know they're trying to serve somebody. Sounds like the cops are super dumb.
Every time they go talk to the guy goes, "Oh, they're fake papers. No, it's just a story. There's not real court documents." And
they just believe them.
The cops just believe him instead of going, "Let me see your."
Eventually, one cop does. He goes, "Do you want me to serve these for you?" And he takes the court papers, and it's all on like his cam, and they've got all the footage of all of it where he calls, and he goes, "Are these real papers?" And he calls the court, and they're like, "Yep, this is real." And so he goes up to the porch of the guy. He's like, "These are real papers." And the guy goes, "No way, let me see them." And the cop says, "No."
Because then he'd be served, though.
I know, right?
He could have done the whole thing. He could have completed the whole thing. The cop could have completed the whole thing.
Yeah, and he says no.
The cop screwed up big.
Yeah. He screwed it up so bad.
Jeez.
Because he thinks that this is now, even though they're real papers, he's got it in his mind that they're fake still or something, and he's like, this is going to be evidence in something or whatever. So he doesn't want to hand them over. It's the biggest mess.
Wow.
Huh.
Yeah.
There's gonna be a Netflix documentary about it soon.
Yeah.
I bet.
There needs to be a lot of cops thrown in prison.
And they've even gotten it down to the night the Legos disappeared. There was a U-Haul truck. There's only one still frame of a security camera from inside out through the windows where you see a U-Haul truck. And one person's claiming a U-Haul truck showed up and they put stuff in the back when the manager got kicked out. the old manager.
Franchisee.
Yeah, and and then everyone else was denying it, but they finally found this one still frame where you can see the U-Haul truck through the window. It's like, well, then where did they take them? What did they do with them? And so like this, the whole thing's, there's still so much more that's gonna unravel. Over Legos.
Over Legos.
And I really kind of hope all the cops get taken through the ringer for it, if I'm being honest.
You hope, but you know it's gonna. We all know it's gonna happen. They
all protect themselves. Friends of the court.
Jeez.
Corrupt tyrants.
Mess up that bad.
All the way down. Dude, even if something happened to them, what they do is they just go work somewhere else. It doesn't follow them around. They just go to somebody else's precinct.
True.
And nobody cares.
Like a bad teacher.
Yep. Bad cops just end up in another city. No matter what they do.
Yeah.
So, another fun part of it is like, a lot of the camera footage was like redacted, meaning all the audio was just cut out of it. So like, when you go, you're supposed to be able to go and get the footage and be able to review it and stuff, but there's no audio to it. And I guess there's some law, there is a legit law where they can redact information about a victim to protect victims. But then someone hacked into, I don't know how the real ones got leaked, but the real footage got leaked with all the audio, and so you lined it up with where the silent ones. So he's got a bunch of videos that where they line up, and the stuff that got redacted was just like a couple cops standing around like, what can we get this kid on?
Mm-hmm.
What can we?
Cops being corrupt.
Yep.
Just cops being corrupt.
Yep.
No.
Not good.
Everybody's a criminal to them. They just got to figure out how. They just see everybody as a criminal. They're just trying to figure out how to pin it on them. Such corruption.
Good times. You know those AI? You guys have probably seen like YouTube ads and stuff. Like they have like these AI things that will scrub through YouTube video and try to get like clip it for you. Stuff that it thinks is entertaining. Well, I tried that, and I'm like, we play this board game. You have to put in a little prompt, and that's not the main part. Every now and then we talk about work and we joke around. We tell jokes and stuff. That's the entertaining part. Find something like that. It's funny. That's the clip I want. So it gets like 20 or 30 options. It goes through the whole thing. It's like, here's about 30 different clips to look through. Every one of them is just like us just playing the game. Mm-hmm. And there's like one or two where they go, all right, where were we? Totally missed.
It totally misses the good part.
Yeah.
Dude, it's trolling you.
You should just get it to find all of those moments and do a compilation of us getting back to the game.
All right, where were we?
Like how we could just like over and over again.
Okay. Where were we?
All right, enough of that. Sorry about the distraction.
Like, it's just like finishing the Heimlich on you and patting your back. Like, okay, you're fine. Okay.
Just completely missing the best part. Oh, that's
it's just
so
trolling
funny.
you.
It'd be so funny to get a compilation of all of those.
Yeah.
Just the end of
Just
funny
like
parts.
the not funny part. Like
you just missed something entertaining.
Just the punchline, but you don't know what the setup was.
no, just after the punchline.
Yeah.
You don't even get the satisfaction of the punchline.
Oh man.
It's like those. It's like those compilations that people put together of like all the silences in a video.
Oh yeah.
And
I did one of those of you and me. But I
you
compiled it.
did.
It was every time we said like or
yeah, I
or
remember
but.
that.
It was like and we just go back and forth. But.
Oh, I remember that. It was so bad. But yeah, it'd be just like that.
Oh, that's so good. It makes me happy.
Anyways, where were we? I think we're about to enter the city.
We gotta go in the city.
Because we have the 10 combination of like intellect and knowledge.
Yes, we have the 10 virgins.
Virgins?
You just need to find the
8
chastity
of
belt
knowledge
again.
and 2 of influence. We need Brita's chastity belt, and we're good to go.
Oh boy.
I came ready today.
What's in the boxes? Are the boxes new?
No, the boxes are
always been
They're like
from me
frames.
for the frames.
They've all okay. All right. Okay, which one is go into the city?
I don't know which one of these. It's either 181 or 243. I don't know which one.
I'll look at both of them. No, this is the gambler boons and stuff.
Okay, then it's probably 243. Because the other one is the sheep.
I have the sheep.
The sheep.
The sheep.
Oh, I forgot.
What's our symbol?
The masquerade mask? What's their symbol?
No.
Yeah.
Actually,
Right?
it might be.
I think so.
Yeah.
Okay, as you're about to enter the city, Cunard, the most reserved of the actors, clears his throat before speaking up. Listen, I'm not sure I want to keep going.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, look at everything we went through just to get here. It's a miracle we're even still standing.
We walked like
He had a different walk than we
100
did.
feet.
Honestly, I'm starting to wonder if it's really worth risking my life any further. In what way?
After we made it to the city.
Did one of them die? We are missing one, aren't we?
I think we did lose one.
Only the actors are able to identify Plethor. Now is definitely not the time for them to back out. During the result step of the following action, for each objective card you have, you get an extra chain. So,
Get 3 chain.
is anybody confused?
No.
Okay. No, like you have the card, you're confused.
I don't get it.
The card's in front of you on the desk. Do any of them say you are confused? Huh? Okay, so we have a chained 5, 6 success. That's not very hard.
For what symbol?
A plus B. That's not.
Chain 5, 6 success.
Yeah.
I mean, you can almost just do 5 cards and that'll probably get it.
Probably.
So
I even have an extra chain if necessary.
I get a star because I have a ghost. I could do this star thing.
Okay. Yeah,
But,
I'd just be throwing cards at it myself.
For each card with the keyword Pathfinder, I get a star.
Mm-hmm.
Keyword
wanna do it?
Pathfinder. Does that mean I get one
Get at least one.
Pathfinder, right? Yeah, okay. At least one. And
So because we have 3, we get it. Add 3 chained.
oh, okay. So 3 and then 5. 3 chain of 3.
It's 5 chain total.
Oh, so 5 chain,
Yeah.
5 cards.
5 chain,
When I use
6
it.
success.
But
Really is
and I get
not
one
that hard.
and I get 1 success
Oh yeah.
because of that. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Gear up. Might as well just go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4,
6.
5.
If I could make a better app underneath that.
That's where that would connect to the camera properly.
Yeah, and it keeps crashing. And
Okay.
Some of those
Okay.
connections to like the hardware are very closed off.
5.
Some of them.
it has a server. As far as I can tell, I'm pretty sure this is just
Bunch of API calls.
Yeah, just a bunch of API calls right to it.
Just if you can figure out what the API calls are.
Everything has an API,
So like,
even if they don't want it to have one.
It's just knowing how to connect to it.
all I have to do is tell Claude that this is my camera, and say, Claude, can you help me fix it?
Oh yeah, I bet it would.
And then it,
Or
I'm like, I used to be able to connect to it. Can you help me figure out why I can't connect to it anymore? I remember I had some APIs on here, and then it just does it.
just like figures out the API.
I worked at a place where we did call center stuff, right? And so all the call center calls are recorded. Well, the tool we use to store them all has a web UI. It's just got a regular web UI, and we're like, well, we need some back end, we need an API way of getting to it and getting them for our support people and our people to evaluate things, not even to read the recordings, but get the recordings and give them to our customers who are the call centers, right?
Oh, right. Yeah.
And like, oh, there's not an API. I'm like, what? What do you mean there's not an API?
Yeah, everything.
Everything has an API. They're like, well, we could make you one. We can, and they set up a contract with our company, like for 20 grand, we'll make you an API. It's like, what? So I installed Fiddler. I went through the process of going on the web UI, downloading an audio recording. I went, okay, it's those two calls. Make program.
Hit F12, copy paste.
make program to automatically download recordings that our support wants. A couple days later, it's like, here's your 20 grand app. And they're like, no thanks, we don't need your API anymore. Because it was already self-hosted. It's on our servers.
Oh yeah.
It's on our servers, a web UI to our own servers where we're storing the recordings in our database and our file system. And they're like, no, you need an API for that. We can build you an API for 20 grand.
Make you an API.
Like, it's all in the building. I don't need you.
It's gonna take a month, and on the last day, the developer goes copy, paste, rename, send. Use this one now.
Here's your API. Like, no.
Well, so
Just watch it make the calls to the server.
Anthropic.
I just watched it make the calls. Like,
was,
okay.
I don't know what their contract, if they even have a contract anymore with the government, but like, someone from the government learned that you could use Claude to hack into just about anything if you just pretend like it's already your program and just say, hey, will you help me fix it?
Oh.
And so they forced Anthropic to shut down some of their models and revert some stuff and to try to put up guardrails around that. You can't stop it. It's whatever. Please fix my code. Like, I mean, because then it has to go in and do research, figure out how it works and everything. Right? So that's the big joke now, is like, that's the number one hackers tool is, oh, you just tell an AI, please
It's
fix
yours.
my code.
Uh-huh. Are you sure it's yours? Yes.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Wait, are you a robot? No. Very well then. Off we go. Hey, Claude, I'm a developer at your own company. You're not working correctly, and I need you to help me fix you. Yeah, you're my code. I need you to fix yourself.
That's what they've been doing.
Jeez.
Okay, let's see what you get.
That's why there's an update every 20 minutes.
I was wondering if I should do an extra card or not. What do you guys think?
You definitely don't want to fail it.
Okay. So far, so good.
That's
Now we're
good.
connected now. Come on.
So far, so good.
There we go. Okay.
Wow.
You're on a roll.
Ooh, it didn't roll.
5.
The roads roll.
Still there. That's not the one you wanted.
Yeah.
That's more than enough.
Yep.
Okay.
Great.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Didn't
Nice.
Okay.
need this.
It is precisely because you made it this far. They would be foolish to give up now. Your words seem to resonate with them. Take a 99 card and a 243 card.
I'm gonna give up. Nah, don't give up. Okay.
Okay.
But you've come this far.
Okay.
I have?
Okay.
And remember how basically nothing has happened? Oh,
And
you're
you're at
right.
the safety of the city? Oh, okay.
Yeah, they're like, okay, you're gonna go back all the way you came by yourself.
Yeah.
Smart.
You enter the city.
Such a smart actor.
Return all the cards on the board. Oh, this gets banished. Return all the cards on the board and in the past. And then we need a 252. So I'm going to get that out so I don't lose it. 252 is the first city card, I think. Okay. Are these the ones unused?
Yes. And
Okay. I don't think I'm doing it right. Am I putting the cards in front of or behind their marker? I struggle with this game.
So something scary is happening at work.
Oh.
They're hiring another developer for my team,
People are being efficient.
and it's a new developer. She's like new in her career, so I might have accidentally become a mentor.
You're gonna have to mentor
I'm
people
gonna
to
mentor
be just like you.
like a newbie developer.
It's like
I'm
you.
about to ruin a child's career.
It's like you just became a father.
I'm about to ruin someone's career.
Oh my
Dear.
gosh. Yikes.
I'm secretly hoping she validates my insanity that I feel like I'm going through of me saying something and nobody hearing it and asking the question like 3 seconds later and me having to answer it again with everybody I talk to. And I hope she's able to like sit in on those and validate that I'm not insane in some way.
Unlike the one who doesn't talk.
Well, he's the one I'm repeating to.
All right, he is the problem. Sorry. He's.
Well, currently one of the implementation contractors I'm talking to is heavily like that. But I was also Brendan for a long time,
And not in a joking way?
not in a joking way.
Oh. Did you tell him that's our joke?
No, it's Brundon.
Brendan. Actually, it's your family's joke. It's not even mine. I
No,
adopted it.
It's my dad's joke, if anything, or my mom's probably.
they would call you Brendan.
So have you ever watched Night at the Museum?
Yes.
I think it's the third one, where he's at.
The Smithsonian.
Is
That's the second one, I think.
so yeah, it's a third. Well,
It's the.
there's the one where they're at one of the museums and there's like the spot where the tablet goes and sits, and there's like a night guard there, and he's the what's that actor's name? Jonah Hill.
Oh, okay. That is like the second or third one.
Yeah. Anyway, he's the security guard there, and his name is Brandon, but he says Brundon. He's like, my name's Brundon. Look up most popular baby names of 1984. It's Brundon. And like the entire time that there's a confrontation between this guy and the main character, every time he says Brandon, he corrects him. It's Brundon. Even after he has him like in a chokehold, he's like, hey, no, listen to me, Brandon. He's like, Brundon. He's like, Brundon. So it's like, my name's not Brandon, it's Brundon. It's Brundon, not Brandon.
That's funny.
And like on his name tag, it's clearly Brandon. And it just always says Brundon.
It's like
Oh, Brundon. Look up most popular baby names of 19, whatever.
It's like all the dorks who think that their name is pronounced colon when it's actually colon.
Yeah. Yeah.
No, a colon is in your body. That's not your name. Your parents named you Colin, not colon.
Yeah. Anyways, we all laughed so hard at that part, and it just became like a joke of my name is Brundon, not Brandon.
It's Brendan.
It's Brundon, not Brandon.
Hey, what are you doing?
No, I don't think we need that one.
You sure?
We might need it to get out of here.
Look.
Well, this
Or wait.
is upside down.
Oh. Oh, that's
This was-
okay.
This is gonna bring a different card back to exit. That one will.
Okay, so we
You
need
still need a 9, though.
the 9.
You
You
guys
still
are
didn't
just-
do your job
You're just
right.
never happy.
Never.
There's nothing I can ever do that would ever please you.
Nope.
That's not true.
It's just never enough for you. Just always want more and more. You take and take and take.
Me, mine.
Mine.
Now.
Now. There. I've put our figures on the board. Do any of the ghosts come with us?
Yeah, this one.
The app still
Casper.
crashes after the update.
Nice. Sounds
Did
like
you
a
do
great
it?
update.
Did you an update
No,
dash
not
force?
That one. It's this one.
Did you turn it off and back on again?
It's not like that.
I have a problem at work and has been going on for years.
Uh-huh.
Where my Docker desktop virtual disk gets too big for my hard drive.
Oh, that happens all the time.
And warnings start going to corporate of like, this machine needs file space. So it'll auto create a ticket. IT will contact me of like, we got to clean up some file space. Let's look in your temp folder.
The temp folder.
Right, let's start. Have you emptied your recycle bin? Like, so that's the process. I'm like, that's not it, bro. Let's install this app that will troll through all of your folders and find us where the biggest one is. Like, I know where it is, but okay. I'm like, I'll even open it up because they've taken over my computer, and I'll open the folder where the VHDX is. That's 150 gigs on a good day. And I'm like, okay, let's look for it. They're like, oh, it's the VHDX. I'm like, yeah, and you can't delete that. I have gigs and gigs worth of machine learning model Docker images, all of my dev container Docker images. I've got all the images on here. You can't just delete that. Can we make it smaller? Yeah, there's a command that'll do that. You have to get on, do admin rights, do a optimize HD, and we pointed that, it'll shrink it. And that worked. First time. And the second time. At one point I was like, my boss submitted a request to just give me a bigger hard drive. They're like, no. Like, okay. My machine is now so secure that I can't optimize the disk anymore. So last time they like deleted Docker off of my machine and then deleted the disk because the background process wouldn't release it. And then I had to redo every image of mine
Oh no.
through multiple firewalls and special artifactory redirects of Docker Hub and a bunch of nonsense. So now this other guy in the team's support channel for Docker, our Docker install is so jacked up that people every day are asking, hey, Docker won't start. Hey, Docker won't start. Hey, Docker won't start. And there's an auto response now of like, did you check the FAQ? Which is these several processes to go through to get your Docker to start because they've locked down machines so hard you can't even run a very stable application like Docker.
No, no.
So mine, last week, I couldn't start any containers. I'm getting a whole new error. Like, I haven't run out of disk space because we set a questionable flag on it. What do they call it? Microsoft had a term for it. They're like, it's high risk if you do this to like automatically optimize the hard disk. You might lose data, blah, 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 blah. I'm like, well, are you gonna have to lose all the images if this happens again? So I might as well try this. None of the containers will start. FAQ, and I start off with my post like, it's not in the FAQ. Let's not even go there. Don't even tell me to read the FAQ, it's not in there. So contingent worker number 1 gets on, like, somebody had this the other day. Follow these steps. No problem. WSL shut down. Docker shut down. GP update -- force. And that's what reminded me of, like, force a Docker update on it. Like, okay. Now go to your users, your user local, your app data local, and delete the WSL folder. They're like, wait a minute. Wait a minute. And when they're like, I know this folder. There's my virtual disk. I'm like, you're suggesting that I delete all of my images and start over again? And I ping like the lead tech engineer over that whole team responsible for this. Like, Tim, does this have anything to do with the setting we put on my specific virtual disk to keep its space down? And then I did nothing for the rest of Friday because I knew nobody would respond. And so eventually, all of Thursday I did nothing because nobody would respond.
They don't want anyone doing anything.
Friday
Just
gets to
lock it all down.
run all these commands and get me the response. I'm like, okay. So I ran all these things, gave them the response, and did nothing for the rest of Friday because my Docker's broken. I can't do anything without Docker because they won't let me install anything on the machine. So I'm like, okay, I shall wait. He finally gets back today. He's like, some of those commands didn't work right. Is Docker running? I'm like, no, it's not running. Just above you, contingent worker number 1 said to shut it down, shut everything down. So I shut everything down. And that's why I'm like, wait a minute, let's figure this out. It's like, well, start it and run these commands again. I'm like, okay, here's your new things. And I have no answer still.
Nice.
I did a force update though. I'm going to have to delete and get all my images again.
This is so sad.
So are those, you're saying those images are in Artifactory?
Some of them are. Some of them are internal and built. They have machine learning models on them, so they're big. Some of them are custom built dev containers, so that they have my version of Python or Go that I need. They're from all over the place. In order to get the ones that are not local, like made by our department, I have to be on a firewall, a VPN, and then another special firewall, and then logged into their Artifactory, and then come up with the correct magic spell, because you do a Docker pull. Let's say you do something silly, like Docker pull Ubuntu latest. Something real risky. Way out there.
Whoa.
That's not going to work. You have to know the magic spell of Artifactory internal port 443, because they don't even know how to redirect that, / unstable builds / docker.io / Ubuntu. And if you don't know how to craft, that's because sometimes they're unstable, sometimes they're in unstable, sometimes they're in a different folder or a different folder. If you don't know how to make that spell, you can't download it. And if you ask, I've spent months asking people how to craft spells, and they won't answer because it's over in the core company and they don't answer questions. So if you don't know the spell, you can't get your Docker image.
It's feeling like me trying to talk to the IT of the parent company where I work at.
Yeah, and I'll complain. This blew up to like VPs on my side. I'm like, guys, I can't work because Docker doesn't work. They're like, what do you mean you can't? I pinged the top guy, Tim. I'm like, Tim's in this thread with like my VPs and stuff. Like, I can't work because Docker doesn't work and I can't pull your images. I don't know the spells. I'm like, for instance, I'm trying to pull Ubuntu. He's like, oh, well, that's simple. You just do this. Like, okay, thanks. I asked for that for months, and nobody could give that spell to me. Okay, well, how about Redis? I need Redis. And I tried these half dozen spells that I tried. It's like, oh no, it's this one. Try this one. Yeah, you're right. That downloads. Okay, I need MySQL. I tried these 6 different magic spells of different paths. Oh, well, why are you doing those ones? It's this one. Here's the magic spell.
Why are you doing it?
Oh my gosh, that
They all,
feels.
don't all those work? I'm like, well, yeah, they do, but I've been asking for 6 months for these magic spells or how to craft the spells on my own. And nobody will tell me. Is there a Confluence document that will tell me what the herbs and semantic components I need for these spells?
What kind of goat
Oh,
you have
no.
to sacrifice? And
No, we don't have that. But here's a Teams channel where if you post in here, maybe they'll respond.
Oh man.
Wait, there's been a Docker support Teams channel this whole time? Well, yeah. Wait, I was in the Docker desktop beta channel. I was one of the first beta testers of Docker desktop in the entire 30 to 40,000 employee company. One of the first having Docker desktop. Nobody bothered to mention, hey, we're shutting this down and creating a new Teams channel where we're going to tell you the magic spells. Nobody tells me the magic spells over there either. Just for the record, they still don't
They
respond.
still
over
won't
there.
tell you the spells.
They
Bastards.
won't tell me the spells. I had a problem the other day where I was trying to download an MCP, right? So Copilot MCP, I need the MCP. Everybody internally is going, oh, just run this MCP server so you can talk to Jira and Confluence and it'll do all this stuff for you. Like, great. Let me download it. What's the magic spell? Docker pull. Okay, great. Error. Well, how did the rest of you get this error? Well, no. Like, crap. Let's go to the Teams channel. Hey guys, what's the magic spell for this? I'm like, oh, are you by chance logged into Artifactory? Like, yeah, of course I'm logged into Artifactory. 2 years ago when I was in the beta channel, I was given the steps. VPN, no. Firewall, VPN, extra firewall, log in. So I followed those steps. Like, oh no, you have restricted permissions if you're logged in. You need to not log in. You have more access if you just connect to it anonymously.
What? What? That's how that should work.
You logged in. Don't ever log in. You won't have enough permissions.
Yeah, that doesn't.
Oh wow.
It's not bad.
That's a way to set that up. I like it.
Okay.
You should stop logging into
Yes.
things.
Stop looking at the VPN.
How do I know which ones to log into? I don't even want to tell you how I have to get to AWS now.
Well, you're logging in. That's your problem.
I didn't log in enough times in the correct way and then switch roles correctly
That's a
using spells that I didn't even know existed.
Oh, that's how my server access is feeling nowadays.
They just took it away last week with 3 days notice. Oh, by the way, your current authentication mechanism of Okta is going away by Monday. Everybody get on and see if you can do this newfangled way of getting onto AWS. It's like AWS production or non-prod? Oh, all of it. Like, wait, non-prod where I store my special files that are in no way secure of any kind. And nobody even cares if I know, I've ranted about this before, nobody cares if I know that McDonald's is a company and that it is the name of a company and that I know what its logo is and that I know what its URL is. Nobody cares if that's safe or not. Go ahead and steal my information. Steal all of my files that go, I know that Starbucks exists. See how far that gets you in your hacking life. It's non-prod, there's nothing in there. Like, oh, yeah, no, all of non-prod. Okay, well, how do we, here's the file of how to do it, most of which are new terms where only if you're in InfoSec do you know what any of these things mean. Because if you're a PIM user, you do it this way. If you're not PIM, you're the other way. I'm like, well, I assume I'm not PIM. I don't know what it means, so I must not be. Turns out I am PIM. Still don't know what it means. But there's a special way where you go to a whole Azure website that shows all the apps you have access to. All of them. Not AWS. No, you have to go to this other website where you have no link to it and no way of knowing it is unless you have the PDF document from beforehand because it's got a link to it. So never lose the PDF document. You better bookmark this sucker because you'll never find this page again. Because the place where it shows all your permissions is not the place where you activate your permissions. There's a special place where you'll never find where you activate your permissions. Go find your AWS role over there, click activate, look up who gets to approve it, and find them and say, hey, you just got an email, approve this because it's only good for 4 hours.
Oh, and people are very timely on responding to those.
Oh, that's going to work well, especially across a 12-hour time zone problem.
Yeah.
Luckily, I'm the owner of the freaking role. The person who you have to ask permission to get into AWS is me.
So you have to go approve yourself.
I set it up. I requested it. I'm the one who told it all the permission needs and all the S3 buckets I have to have. I'm like, anybody wants permission for this? I'm the troll under the bridge. They want to cross my bridge and get into my S3 buckets. I'm the one who approves it. I have to go in and activate and ask me for permission to get to my role that I created, to get to the S3 buckets that I created for files that I created. For 4 hours, I get it. And then I go back to the magic place. Suddenly the magic app shows up. I can click on it and it says, something went wrong. You can't access this. Something went wrong.
You gotta start all over.
I sure sent that screenshot to InfoSec immediately. Like, I followed your instructions, bastard. I followed your instructions and this is what I got. He didn't reply. He never replied, so the next day I tried again. Go back out, click the button a second time. So the first time it fails, second time actually works. So you have to actually open the app twice, and then you can get AWS. Like, I don't got any S3 buckets. It tells me I'm not even allowed to look at S3 buckets. What the hell's wrong? I created all this. I'm the frickin' owner. InfoSec drives me crazy.
You accidentally cloned yourself.
No.
You logged in too
You're
many
not supposed to
times.
make a clone of a clone because you don't have to be clone. A clone is dumb.
I went
You
through
can't do
all of that
nothing.
process, and guess who it logged me in as? Not the role I activated, went through all the hoops to get in. That's not who it logged me in as. So it logs me in as some generic nobody. And now I have to go in and switch roles. And the name of the role doesn't matter. I have to know the account ID for the role, which
not
also
the role
exists.
name.
Which also exists in a table somewhere, just in the PDF. So if you lose the PDF, you're screwed and never getting AWS again. In the PDF, you have to find your role name and look at the ID next to it, and that's the ID you want to switch roles to, that I already activated and gave myself permissions to. I have to now know the ID to go back to and switch roles to it. Then I can see my S3 buckets. And guess what? McDonald's is still a company.
Thank God.
So is
secure.
Starbucks. So is Starbucks. World is saved. We're protected. And I validate that information is still safe.
Thank God.
Still safe. If you're hearing this online, that's protected information. That's as good as PII. It's a HIPAA violation. It's a violation of ITIL and several other acronyms that you now know that McDonald's, keep it safe. That you know the McDonald's
Proprietary information.
Proprietary information. Did you sign the NDA so that you too may know of McDonald's? I'm not even gonna tell you about the crazy things like PayPal, GPay, and Venmo or something.
Those aren't.
Those are super secret. Bastards. I hate InfoSec. They just get in the way. You know what I did? I added 1% more to the capacity planning of how much time my team spends on InfoSec stuff. You want my team to do stuff? I'm like, okay, 10% goes to InfoSec every quarter. Now it's 11. See if you can get my team to do
slowly
anything.
climb.
See if you can get my team to do any product work anymore. InfoSec owns all of our time.
Information security is so hard.
A couple years ago, I got an email from AWS saying I owed them like do something like $200, and I was like, you know, this is starting to get urgent now. There's been fees occurring and stuff like that. I'm like, so I'm like, I don't know what this is. I had to create a support ticket. And I'm like, guys, I don't even know I haven't used this in a long time. I tried it once as part of a course online. Guide you through AWS, and I got halfway through it. I'm like, no, this isn't my jam. I don't belong here, and stopped. And apparently, I activated some sort of thing that's gonna bill me
Because you didn't cancel it in 30 days.
Well,
Or
yeah,
something?
or something, some sort of service that was just going, and it was just occurring, and I'm like,
It's just the namespace.
And
All you
like,
created was the namespace.
we went back and forth
50
like
cents a month.
maybe 8 times, and I'm like, because they're giving the instructions. I'm like, you're saying words. Those words aren't on the screen. I don't know AWS. They're acting as if they're talking to somebody who's like,
Who knows
this
what
is
they're
their
doing.
job or something.
Yeah,
I'm like,
the cloud engineer.
yeah. I'm like, no. I was goofing around. I don't need this. I don't understand it. You just go do it. Go shut it down. I can't find out how to stop it. I can't. Just go do it, please. And then they made me like write a letter like about like why I don't need it to give them permission. And I was in detail, like, I will never use AWS again for the rest of my life as long as I live. Shut it down, cancel everything, erase me. I don't belong there. And I will
Well,
never
I
touch
don't
it
know.
again, I swear. And they finally did it, and they're like, okay, you don't owe us.
I should actually probably see if anything's hosting any of my old school projects on there anymore. So I remember at one point I had to set up some like site that I like used to like display projects to potential employers or whatever.
Oh, right, yeah.
I don't know if that's still there.
All still being hosted.
I mean, it had one of those like complicated forever URLs that like it's like AWS.123:!!A whatever, you know.
You'll
kind of
find
URLs.
it unless you already know where it is.
Yeah. And so it's like it's not even like I was hosting an actual URL, but I should see if that's still alive. It'd be funny to see what that looks like. Because it was like one of those classes where you were supposed to stylize the page. And I'm really good at that.
Before AI.
And we all know how good I am at CSS.
You hate CSS.
I hated CSS. I'm pretty sure I copied everything CSS-wise for that class off of something. Because
Just go steal it.
it just didn't click for me.
Still doesn't click for me either.
Because at that point, I was even more heavily into WPF than I am now. Where like
They're just the
my
opposite
my
things.
only knowledge for making something look nice that like made sense and clicked to me was WPF. That was it at that point. And then they're like CSS, and I was like, don't understand. And I'm really bad at choosing
their
colors.
style sheets, and they cascade.
Yeah.
It's
They're
simple, really.
cascading style sheets, man.
It's
Well,
really it's simple.
I assigned a value, and something was overriding it at some point, so my value never shows up, and I can't figure out where the value it's using exists.
It's on the cascade.
And then I try to shift it over a little bit, and suddenly it's up there,
Did
and
you
the
do
thing
your
that I thought was
specificity
there
math?
was down there. And then I thought I did the change and it worked, but I didn't quite properly reload the site, so I thought it worked and went to a different change and changed something else, and it's all messed up now, and I don't know which changes to undo. And I chose blue and purple as my colors that are supposed to match,
You did great.
and like a pink maybe and a red.
Yeah,
I was trying to make them all complement each other on the site. If you ask me how to stylize a page and make the colors work, oh boy, are you gonna get a site. It's not gonna look good. I'm so bad at choosing colors that complement each other. Even like after I learned that there's a site that's supposed to tell you what they are,
It'll just tell you.
I don't think I put them in the right spot on the page. Even after I know the colors that are supposed to work together, I think one of them is supposed to be the most color, and another one's supposed to be the least.
Sure.
Or like one's supposed to be the background, one's supposed to be the foreground. I don't know which one's which. So I'm just like, these colors go together, and I just start grabbing random colors off the sheet it told me to do. and it still doesn't look good.
Your links are all like light yellow. You can barely see it.
Yeah, I'm like, I can't see anything on this page. Oh, it's so bad. I'm so bad at that.
The olden days when none of that existed and all the hyperlinks were all the same color,
All
no matter
blue,
what page you went to.
and the
if you'd
background's
gone
all
to
gray.
it was the same color no matter
purple.
what website you went to. There was no changing any of it.
Yeah.
I like it
There
better
was
when
no
all the
way.
apps are just gray and the buttons are like darker gray and the hyperlinks are blue.
Yes.
That's the kind of apps I like.
When you
to
get
make.
really fancy and do a drop shadow on a text box.
Ooh, yeah. Or add a bevel to the edge of a
Fanciness.
button.
Fancy, then we get fanciness.
Don't let me design your app color-wise. Tell me what colors you want, where
There's
you want them.
UI and UX people who are supposed to be doing that.
I've never worked with one of those.
I
Except for
have.
once in college on a project.
We had
She
a,
was really
we
good.
had a UX team at eBay, and they would provide us like these screenshots and like assets and stuff, and it was great.
Oh, I need one
And
of
it
those.
just looked nice when they were done. And they'd be like, "Can you make the cursor do when somebody's in the middle of a chat and like the other side is currently typing? Instead of doing the ... can you also make the cursor do this thing?" I'm like, that sounds awesome, and that would look really cool. Let's figure it out. Like, don't make me come up with that idea.
And then they
But
give
I
you
will
the,
try to figure out how to make it do. If you
They
go,
give you
this
the
would
hex
look
codes
really
for the
pretty.
colors and-
Yeah, this would look really pretty if you could do that. I'm like,
Oh.
I believe you. Let me
Okay.
figure it out.
Let's do that.
Don't make me figure out what would look good, though. I don't know. You tell me what would look good. Good UX guys were good UX and UI. I actually had one time, and they were great. I liked working with them. They just provided you what you needed.
So,
Somebody
Where were
explore.
Alms for the poor. A man dressed in rags looks at you pleadingly as he holds out his hands.
No.
he holds my hand.
Yeah. If you want to take the following action, one involved character must discard a card with the keyword trinket or barter and or provisions. You cannot or do not want to discard this.
We can maybe.
I have one
Do we
trinket.
get something out of him?
You get to read a dialogue.
Because I think he's a.
He's a beggar of some kind.
But he's a help me.
Isn't he the
But I think we also
he's
get
like
influence.
isn't he
He's a help me. Is that a term?
No, he's like an undercover rich man, right?
I don't remember.
I could give him a bug.
I have a largely useless trinket.
I have a metal wire.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yours
it
is pretty
cures-
useless.
Exhausted.
Mine is actually
Oh,
useful.
and we share 10 life points. I guess it's not super useless.
I've got this metal wire.
I've got.
It's only used for opening or unlocking things and fixing things.
I already got the one thing I wanted out of the sack of grain. I already
Yeah,
got the
if you give it a
sleep.
sack of grain.
I already got the sleep out of it.
Yeah, that at least has an
That
act
actually might actually open something.
You might need it.
Okay, so
Look,
give that up and read
Yeah.
372.
because I think it's a no. Remember there was a side quest where I had to go do good deeds,
For your ring.
but I think it was also influence. I think there's like,
Sorry,
think it's a good deed person.
372.
Yeah, 372.
and what this is returned.
Yeah.
Take a 013 card to try your luck.
So our fight continues.
It is down to you, and it is down to me.
Lady Luck is on your side.
The individual launches into a long
Correct.
monologue in which he praises the largeness of your heart and the joy he has in speaking with someone so generous. Take 2 049 cards.
Hear that? I'm generous.
And I'll have a large heart,
Yeah.
oversized, perhaps diseased.
And then if you had side quests, you'd read something.
It sounds like you have some kind of disease, having a
I
large,
definitely have
large
some
heart.
kind of disease.
Enlarged heart.
Oh.
What the heck? You have all the Hope Reborns? We spent all the Hope Reborns.
I don't have them. You're the one that does Hope Reborn stuff.
Frack.
No more.
Okay, I'll put this back.
And then
I think we spent them all on something.
265.
And we haven't done anything since.
265.
Were those supposed to go back in after the new beginning? Give me those. Give me.
I don't know.
I'm sure at some point.
Any blocked cards?
Yeah.
Goes back? Okay.
Yeah. I'm sure somewhere in the start over it said unblock.
You sure?
We got all these from like New Beginning and.
Every start does the unblock.
Okay.
You're just
Or
over
at least
there.
every start we've done so far.
You're just hoarding them.
When we restarted the threat.
Yeah.
Or no, when we redid the board just now.
No, we started this
New threat?
scenario.
How did I miss that?
Because we got all these in the New Beginning. And we spent them on buildings
Yeah.
and getting that much knowledge.
Okay.
And they were supposed to be unblocked.
So how many Hope Reborns did we get?
What? We got one just now. We got a bunch of glimmers is what happened. We got 2 glimmers and that was enough to do a Hope Reborn. Wait, but he didn't say give us influence or anything?
Mm-mm.
Stupid beggar. Did it say good deed?
9.
Am I misremembering what that guy does?
No, it said good deed. Do we
Did it
have
say
a
good
side
deed?
quest?
No. I just want to know that I do remember what.
Yeah.
He was.
It triggered an additional dialogue if you
Okay.
had that
If we
side
had that
quest.
quest? Okay.
I'll move us.
You sure?
Yeah,
Or
I
do
need
you
a card. Okay.
Did we do these things?
No, but they were just, we did them last time and they didn't give us anything.
Oh, right. We were
The
trying
only
to
thing-
find influence all the way down.
Well, we were trying to trigger more stuff like this, and the only one we ever ran into was at the entrance.
Yeah. Okay. 3 men are beating a man on the ground who is clutching a leather bag that the assailants obviously want to take from him. If you'd rather go on your way, discard this. Otherwise, you may run to the rescue of the man lying on the ground or side with the assailants to help them get the leather bag.
I think we helped beat up the guy.
It seems like we get it wrong every time, no matter what we choose.
Well, one of the things that are like this, it was a trick. and
Chasing a
you're-
person is, yeah. There's one where we're chasing somebody and it's bad either way or something, where they were the criminal or they were innocent and we're wrong all the time.
Well, one of them, like the person is supposed to look like they were the bad guy, like
Right.
the like obvious choice of like helping get the bag back was like the wrong option or whatever. So these guys are all around a guy beating him up for a bag.
Right, and we want to continue the beating, right?
Probably.
Yeah,
Okay,
I'm down with it.
I'll beat him up.
We'll step right in. Yeah, the other one I think is like something about chasing a guy. It's very similar where it's like it seems like someone's stealing something. We don't know which end, but I think the one where we stop them is when they're like
Yeah,
trying to
'cause
get
it's
away.
Like thief, catch him.
Yeah.
Right?
Read 255. Beat him.
Did you finally refill our snack
Yeah,
stuff?
I was at the Costco.
All right. You join
the
in the
bad
assailants and land a few blows on
You
the
don't like 'em.
downed individual who eventually falls
Got
unconscious.
caramel in them.
One of the men in the
Oh,
gang
shit.
then snatches the leather bag that the individual is clutching. Take a 0-1 through and try your luck.
But it's soft caramel.
No, I shouldn't eat it regardless.
Who did
I'm
the
trying my luck.
kicking?
Bring it. I won last time. You're an awful human being. Lady Luck is on your side.
Nice.
Oh wait, and take a 49.
Nice.
Nice. Right. The man on the ground is indeed a thief that you have put out of action. Plus
Ah.
1 influence. And take a 049 card.
Hell yeah. We're the best. I have the idea of you just walking around town seeing someone just beat up and just join
You
in.
jump right in. Hockey rules or something. I don't know.
You know?
Don't you know we're the chocolate starfish?
You're in the wrong part of town.
Okay. That's pretty
274.
Did it all for the monkey.
I'd say we're on a roll.
Yeah.
That's why they call me Butter. All right, mission companion. I had a mission companion.
All right, Butters.
I had a mission companion named Elder Butters. And we short round dude. Really good at basketball though.
Was he from Utah?
Yeah.
Sandy?
I don't remember. But that was his thing. I mean, at some point he should have gotten tired of playing somebody who can't play basketball in one-on-one. It can't have been fun after a while. But after every shot, it was like, that's why they call me Butters, because I'm on a roll. Like, over and over and over again.
He had a shtick and he enjoyed it.
Man, over and over again. Like, I'm not good at this. He's got these magic ways. He was like the precursor to the NBA, where all he could do was draw fouls. Just constantly drawing fouls with this, going under my arm with the basketball. I'm like, oh, you fouled me. You fouled me. I'm like, I don't know the rules well enough to even argue with you on this, but are you having fun? That's why they call me Butters, because I'm on a roll. All right, dude.
He like lived for that.
Oh my gosh,
Oh,
the
the glory
apartment had to be
days.
set at 62 degrees.
Whoa.
It'd be the summer in Oklahoma. I'm in a parka and knit hat because I'm under the air, because he's the senior companion, so he gets to be on the other side away from the air conditioner. Setting at 60 degrees, I'm under the air conditioner, like all bundled up in the middle of the summer in Oklahoma. Who would not hear reason and was just always a dick.
But he's on a roll.
He was on a
Well,
roll.
he didn't want to melt in the heat.
Well,
It's the worst.
He's a short round dude.
Yeah, so you don't want melted butter.
Lots of
on the
insulation. Wouldn't want him to melt because he's butter. On a roll.
I was thinking about it yesterday. Like, I hope Dylan gets called to Oklahoma.
We'll find out tomorrow.
I was like, what?
Did
kind
you
of-
get invited?
Did you want me to actually show up at that?
roll. Yes.
You're invited.
Okay.
You're invited.
I don't know. It just feels like a weird thing to be invited to.
It turns out those are parties now.
Oh.
Yeah, no, it's a party. We decorated for it today.
Oh.
The house has been cleaned top to bottom. Everything dusted. You could eat off of anything in there.
Do I want to
It's
be there?
been decorated. There's a map on the wall of guess where he's gonna go game, where you write.
Okay, let's
something
be
on
honest. As me, do I want to be there? Like, it's nice that I've been invited.
There are gonna
We
be
can
a
all
lot of
we can all say
people.
it was a really nice thing, and that
Well, Brandon,
it could
you're
be a
part
could
of the
potentially.
family.
But do I want to be there?
They're gonna be
No,
a
I'm
lot
not part of the family anymore because I didn't get invited to Disneyland.
Oh.
That was
All of a
Andrew's
sudden,
family.
all of a sudden, I get a text that says he's at Disneyland. I can't go to game night, and I'm not a
Listen.
guest and have not been invited to Disneyland.
Andrea's mom doesn't know you're part of the family, so she didn't get you your own condo and invite you down.
Yeah, but Henry's logic should stand regardless.
But my mother-in-law doesn't know about Henry's logic
But he knows
of
Henry.
Brandon being in the family. I
I don't know. I feel like that should be a standing law.
don't think.
What's his
it'll
logic
be
again?
good.
Remind me.
Well,
I like came up to the house
Brandon's just
and I like knock and he opens the door. He's like, "Oh, Brandon, we have guests over."
because there was somebody else.
Because there was
already
a guest already there, but I wasn't a guest having just arrived. I was just supposed to be there already. So I little child opens the door. Guests are here. You should
Guess
come
what,
in."
Brandon?
Come
Guests
on in.
are
We
here.
we have guests waiting for us.
Yeah, as if I'm like another sibling that just arrived home, and I need to go
Just
say
in
hi
time.
to
We
the
have
guests.
guests.
The guests are already here, Brandon. The guests are already
Where
here.
have you been? Come
Come
on
on
in,
in.
Yeah.
please.
It's like, oh,
You're
okay.
late. The guests have already arrived.
I don't even remember what I was coming over for.
I don't know. It was so weird.
Oh, bless his heart.
It was funny. You are invited, whether you think it would be enjoyable or not. There's a popcorn bar with
A popcorn bar.
and water, and
I don't know. I'm just trying to decide whether I should
a
be there.
guessing game.
Is anyone gonna have a broken heart if Brandon's not there beside you?
No. But it is something that like everybody was invited.
Everyone just.
Okay, here's the way my family we work. Just so you know.
Is it helpful to have a human hiding in the corner? at this party.
No.
It's
No.
probably going to be a party I'm going to hide in the corner for.
You gonna stream it somewhere?
Probably.
Yeah.
Well, my mom
Uh-huh.
is going to be in
We're just
Missouri.
gonna make her log into Discord
We're going to WhatsApp her?
and just get her to sign into Discord and
I
just
think
stream it through
I think it's
Discord.
WhatsApp
Why? Where's she gonna be?
at our grandpa's 100th birthday. Did they call you today?
Who?
Mom.
I couldn't tell you.
She was supposed to have tried to call you today.
Oh.
You maybe should have answered that phone. Were you invited to the birthday party?
I remember hearing about a birthday party.
What was your
in a different state?
What was your interest in going to the birthday party?
I'm in this state.
Okay, I kind of figured that was your answer, but also, what if somebody else gave you plane tickets to go to the birthday party? Would that change your interest level in the birthday
Not in
party?
the slightest.
Okay.
Where's the other state?
Just people that have no idea
It's
who
in
they
Missouri.
even are.
Yeah,
It's-
no.
It's our
Not
grandpa.
in the summer, please.
It
no.
is
That
technically.
means something to you, maybe.
It's technically your grandpa.
I don't have grandparents.
You've never met him.
How are you not technically a grandchild?
Mom was adopted, and we've never met. I think I've met him once. I think I've been to his house in Georgia. I don't think you've ever met him. So
Yeah,
he's
You should definitely.
As far as I know, I had like
biologically.
two grandparents and they died
Grandpa?
a while ago.
Are you saying
He could meet you for the first time and like you so much that you could get in the will.
I don't care.
Well,
Fair.
I just suggested to our slightly dysfunctional family
Oh.
that if they were using flight miles to get Matt there, Matt's like flying in the morning and flying out that night or something. And they're like, well, we should see if Wes can go, even if we just use miles and get him a flight there, can Wes then go? I'm like, I got a lot going on. I can't just do that. I'm like, but at least ask OJ, which is why you may have gotten a call today.
That's possible.
I was like, I'm 99% sure he's going to say no and he's not going, but at least put it on the table.
A missed call from someone.
Probably your mom. Yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Oh, look, that's my mom.
Oh, okay. Let me get my magnifying glass out.
But we've never met him. Our mom was adopted when she was 9 by her aunt.
I don't see what the big deal is then.
We don't know him, but the rest of the family does. Like our cousins, of
Wait,
her, like her
she was
older
adopted
sister.
by her aunt.
Yes,
So
you followed
her
that.
aunt is your grandma.
Yes.
Okay, your uncle is your grandpa.
My great aunt and great uncle are also my grandparents.
Gotcha.
I am my own grandpa.
Something?
I wish I could remember the logic of that song well enough to sing it to you right now, but you actually have to know the logic to be able to sing that song, I think.
Fair enough.
I am my own grandpa.
Yeah, it makes sense.
I had it memorized at one point.
It's a great song. But we already bothered you two with my ding-a-ling, so I'm not gonna look up. It's probably Jethro Tull or somebody who sings "I Am My Own Grandpa" or something like that. I'm not gonna look it up. So it is your grandpa. It's his 100th birthday, and like the governor and mayor are gonna be there because he's a retiree from two armed forces. So like he's
Well, he retired and then went right into another branch and then retired again.
somehow he was both Navy and Marines or something like that. I don't know. And maybe there's something going on there that makes him important in some way. This is a big deal.
Well, it's
to
easy.
certain
It's
people.
easier to do that with those two branches for sure.
So he's
than any others.
he's some sort of big deal in some way, but we don't know who he
A
is.
war hero.
Your aunt and her kids, which I would like to go anywhere they are and hang out with like Christian, April, and Ben, right? But
Who?
I don't want to fly across the
Surprised me.
country
Who? I don't know. these
to
people.
see them. They're a different age than you.
I don't deal with this side of the family. They don't exist to me.
Sorry if you are tuning in. If that side of the family is tuning in, we apologies
Well, I
on
wouldn't
behalf
know.
of all of us.
I would be tempted to go just to hang out with like Christian and April and Ben, but It's not. I'm not flying across the country
Hey,
for a
ABC.
one-day thing.
April, Christian, Ben is ABC. April, Ben, and Christian.
Except their ages would make it BAC.
Well,
There you go.
anyway, where were we?
The alphabet. brought
Someone
to
needs
you.
to move. Someone needs to move us. I don't know if anybody has.
I'll move us. I can do something. Let me do something with my life.
Oh,
Okay.
but if you so OJ, if you wanted to come to
Yeah,
the mission call party, it's 8:00 at our house.
I got that text. I don't either.
Okay.
That's a priority for me. Those people exist.
We exist.
Uh-huh.
You've heard of Henry. You've heard of Dylan.
Uh-huh.
But like Dylan didn't even send invites to his graduation. Like he sent no announcements to graduation. And we're like the whole
He sent
ward.
me one for that.
Well, yeah, because that's what I was gonna say. Like
Well,
this is how things happen in my family. Of like they're like it's Dylan's thing. Dylan, who do you want to invite? Well, nobody. So he sent a graduation thing to like his best friend's family and his other friend's family.
And you told them the
Okay,
more you send
okay, let
out,
me
the
ask-
more
we
chances
got
you
got 10. Yeah, we explained
the
the
more
whole
money
thing.
you could get.
Exactly.
possibly.
We got 10 graduation announcements from the ward of kids we kind of know,
Yeah.
right? But it goes around to Andrea goes, well, she's like, I've got my friends here. She sent to her friends graduation, like, we'll send one to Brandon. So that's,
He got something from me.
I believe it. So that's also how you're invited to the mission call party. It's like, it's the same group of like, well, Dylan, it's your party. Who do you want to invite? So it's these group of friends or whatever. And Andrew's like, well, and we got to invite family. So it's all the family plus Andrew, who do you want to invite of her friends? And then they're like, should we invite Brandon? Like, yeah.
Sure.
So it is, they're like the regular crew and Brandon. We don't send things to the whole ward. We don't send things to extended family. It's just like immediate family kinds of things, and then Brandon.
This weird category that no one else fits into.
His dad's friend.
I can't tell whether I should go or not.
His dad's friend, Brandon.
You come over to play with on Mondays. Ugh. Okay, here we go. A brick chimney tumbles from a dilapidated roof.
Let it hit them.
One
Okay.
random character on the active player's terrain card must make the following action. A dodge action. And if the ground shiver is level 7 or higher,
It's not.
it's... Okay, so it's easier. I got a 5.
We're just rolling.
I don't know.
I got a 6. Oh, the ghost died.
4.
6.
You two roll off.
Oh, like highest. Oh, jeez.
Okay, it's you.
Okay,
I
dodge.
Okay, you now have to do a dodge action.
Yeah, what do I need?
3 stars, no required cards.
One, two, three.
Good luck.
If you just make decisions fast enough, people...
People's go, okay.
Oh, in a
People
lot of
follow
cases, the person making decisions is in charge.
Yeah.
Three, right?
Yeah, you nailed
The
it.
person willing to make decisions is in charge.
Every once in a while, I find myself in that position. Oh, God, a lot at work recently. Did I tell you about the fact about the implementation I've been doing recently? About how this company made it like sound like you have to have special permissions that are only our implementation people have, and you have to be able to contact certain things and have the right, like, essentially secret code to be able to do it. And the entire time I've been working with this lady, she's just like reading off this like checklist on her other monitor, and she has no special permissions or some special key to activate anything. She just happens to know the right executables to run, and I'm like having to do all the troubleshooting myself anyways because it didn't.
She's got a
The
list
thing,
of
the thing that
things.
came up wasn't the next thing on the to-do list, and so she's lost now.
But she's got permission to do it.
Apparently, and that's gonna cost us an extra $30,000 to get her special permissions. It's the dumbest thing. Let's hear. You can put one of those cards back. Sorry.
In your hand,
But you do
or-
dodge it. Yeah, in your hand. If you want.
You've dodged it successfully.
Nice.
Does anybody need a hand card to move? Anybody looking for something?
I mean, I could replace on the double.
One of mine's not that great. Oh, on the double's even worse.
Bless
How about this?
It's marginally better. Okay, we need to explore. Are you exploring?
Fire! A crowd has gathered outside a house. Smoke is pouring out of the upstairs
Let
window.
it burn. Let
If
it
you'd rather go underway, discard this. Or we can do a dialogue, and then which one we read depends on our ground trooper level. Do we want to
You just talk the
participate?
fire down.
Do
I
we
don't know, we can
let
talk to the smoke that's coming out a window.
do you let the orphanage burn?
So you said our ground trooper's below level 7?
Yes.
So we would read 221 if we want to do this.
Maybe we just like
Or we could just go on our way.
talk to him.
I don't smell any smoke.
Maybe we could talk him out of burning. You know, if that's an option.
Just talk at it. I know there's a lot of people who think talking will solve that sort of thing, and they don't go away. They'll just talk at you and talk at you and talk at you.
I have one person who likes to do that, but I can't tell. Like, I tried to.
I'm gonna keep coming back
Well,
on whatever it is you're trying to.
Like, I'm trying to, like, walk away and end the conversation so we can both get back to work. And I can't tell if he wants to keep the conversation going to, like, kill time, or if he just, his version of being polite is to always respond with, like, continuing this conversation no matter what, and is trying to end the conversation and just can't. And so I don't
I had a meeting like that
I don't know
today.
whether I'm like being rude by like forcibly ending it, or if he like it really does want to. I just can't tell which one he wants.
Our meetings are normally just fine. Like every day we have like a 15-minute stand-up situation. But like the normal person that's in charge is gone, so like our new tier 3 guy just sort of like just kind of ran the thing, but he doesn't know how to end a conversation, and he's just rambling about random things, and he'll pause, and just like I'm about ready to go like, and all right, does anybody have anything else? And he goes, oh, and like keeps going, and then it's just like super silent, like it's just like this long amount of like I don't know if he's gonna talk again, like if he's done, but like he's in charge, so it's. I feel bad jumping in and be like, we're done here, we're leaving.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I can't quite say that, but it's like you didn't know how to end the meeting.
Like mine is like at like you're the
We're
guy
on
like.
for another 30 minutes. We're in there for 45 minutes. A 15-minute meeting.
Oh man, that's awful. But like, you're like the guy in the cubicle, and there's like a chair outside his cubicle, and we're sitting down, we're talking. I'm like, okay, that's great, and I'll like be like walking away, like end the conversation, and then he'll start something that like is clearly like demanding my response, and I have to like, okay, I guess we're continuing this conversation, and sit back down, and we talk for like another 10 minutes. I'm like, I like to say my wrap up thing, like, well, I guess get back to it, and I'll like step away, and then he starts another thing, and I'm like, but he looks nervous, like he wants me to go away with like his facial expressions, but he's like talking, like trying to like drag me back. I'm like, okay, I guess we're still talking. I'll even I'm not gonna sit down and like engage him. I'll like lean against the wall and sit over here, but he's like still talking and engaging. I'm like, I mean, I'm tired. I guess I'll sit down and continue this conversation. And then he stops talking, and I'm like, well, I mean, I guess we get back to it. I mean, I hope you have a great weekend. I'm gonna go deal with this thing that I came over to talk to you. That's a 5-second question, and then he'll drag me back into conversation. I'm like, I don't know what this guy wants from me. And the last time I had this engagement with him, I went over to talk to him at 11 o'clock. And the only reason I got out of the conversation is because it was lunchtime at noon. And I was like, well, I'm going to go to lunch. And he's like, oh, yeah, me too. And he picks up his thing to like go microwave. And I'm like, well, I'm not following you to the break room. I'm going outside. And that physical split of him going to the break room and me going outside is the only thing that ended that conversation an hour later. And I went over for like a question that was like
hey, do you know what this is? Nope, I don't know what that is. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
That's what I went over there to talk to him about, and I was like held hostage next to his cubicle for an hour, and I don't know which one of us was broken that like made that continue, because it could have been my fault. I could have been the idiot that kept re-engaging and sitting down. And his facial expression said, I don't want this to continue. But everything he said, I desperately want this to continue and don't want to work today.
Somewhere there's a conversation happening somewhere else. Where a guy's going, there's this guy at work.
That would not
He
leave me
comes
alone.
over to my cubicle, and he like acts like he's gonna leave. He gets up and walks away, but then he comes back and sits back in the chair. Should I take the chair away? Like, I don't know how to get him to disengage. And like, he gets 2 or 3 steps away.
I'm like 10 feet away. I'm like almost out of the hallway and he tracks me back.
But then he just keeps coming back and sitting in the chair. Like, I don't know where else to put the chair. But even if the chair's not there, he'll just lean against the wall. You know?
I need the chair for the other people. Oh man. I don't know. One of us is broken and it could easily be me, but man, it sure felt like him.
I don't know how to get him to go away. He comes over for a simple yes/no question. I answer it. And we're kind of small talking as he's leaving, but then he comes back.
I mean, how it feels on my end is if we were in the middle of like an engaging conversation and I just like walked away and for like 30 feet we were still trying to yell at each other and talk to each other, is what it feels like I would be doing if I walked away. And so I'm like, oh, I gotta stay here, I guess, and I'm just gonna get tired and sit back down again. I don't know what this guy wants.
I think I know what it is.
What is it? I
Okay.
need help.
That was my theory. I don't know.
It's
It's a pretty good theory.
it's where. Okay, I'm the guy. Okay,
Yeah.
I don't want to do that. I need a reason to get out of this. Oh, hey, Brandon. Yeah, I'm glad you're here.
Yeah, but
And
his...
every time you go to leave. Oh no! Hey, Brandon. You know, it's just like I need someone to talk to distract me from having to get back to this thing I really, really don't want to do.
Yeah, but that's what I think, but except your facial expressions are like panicky as if get this guy away so I can do work.
How do I keep Brandon here?
Oh, maybe.
How do I Brandon's
How do I keep it going? How do I keep it going? I've got work over there. How do I keep this going?
How do I keep this conversation moving
Maybe.
so I'm not left alone?
Maybe that's what that look is. That could be it. It's either that or I wasted an hour of that guy's time.
I think.
I don't know. I don't know what to think of those conversations, but it's happened a couple times. And Fridays was really bad.
Okay, anybody want to move us?
I will, to try to get rid of my on the double. Oh yeah, that's way better. Okay. Then we probably go to the dome, right?
I think
The 294.
Is it the theater? These are theater guys.
A lot. No. So I think our objective is like to talk to the person in charge here.
Someone named Plethor.
294. I think it's the dome.
You better be right.
I'm really good at having conversations.
Mm-hmm.
I need.
Tomorrow evening you should come to my house.
I
I
need
have opportunities for you to have conversations.
I need to look up a YouTube video on how to end conversations. Like what 5 words can I say that's like
For the
doesn't leave
final.
any confusion as to I'm ending the conversation
You grab your
without
stomach,
being rude.
You go, oh, I gotta go. Oh, I gotta go.
I think that'll do it.
That's a great
I've
idea.
done that in meetings to get out of them. Then we're running along. I'm like, guys, I just gotta go. I just close the meeting and then I'm just back to work.
Oh, that's a good idea. I should do that. I like that idea.
Smooth.
The
Okay.
building is adorned with Kellyan crests marked marking it as the seat of power in the city. Its imposing dome has clearly been restored recently. A young man is sitting on the steps of the entrance. You may not take the following action unless you have at least one objective card. Each unconscious character gains 1 life point or gains consciousness. Discard all the cards on the board, including your terrain card. Open the threat booklet where the bookmark is and read the epilogue to end the scenario.
Alright, ladies, did we do it?
We have
Got
enough
enough,
points. We
right?
got a high enough number. By 1. We're like 1 over.
Overachievers.
We nailed it.
Good luck.
Which are your discarded, which are banished? Do you know?
You're gonna
Yes,
make
I
our
do.
Okay,
OKR
'cause I
higher
don't.
next.
Of course you don't.
No idea what's going on over there on your side.
Okay, our score's 10 or higher, right?
Yes. It's 11. We nailed this bitch.
Conclusion A on page 6. Plethor wears well-fitted trousers, a loose, finely tailored shirt, and a colorful scarf tied around his neck. Despite his mere 22 cycles of age, slender build, and modest height, he carries himself with natural elegance and certainty. His sharp gaze seems to catch every detail.
He just did this weird. He like pulled out his candy, looked at it
precious.
fondly, and like just like touched the rim of it. Like he was like doing a prep to open the tab or
It's a
something.
good thing that wasn't on the video.
This little intimate moment I had with my Mountain Dew.
Yeah. I was intruding on the moment.
Plethor,
Give you some space.
Plethor greets you with a warm smile. This is attentively as one of the actors recounts the events that have unfolded since their separation. Once the tale is finished, he falls silent for a moment, then turns to you. Thank you for coming all the way to Kel. It was clearly no easy task. I am convinced you are exactly the kind of partners we need to get to the bottom of this. Unfortunately, my research here has not turned up anything conclusive about these seeds.
I don't think we should trust this guy.
That said, I did learn of an old citadel nestled in what was once called the Burning Bramble Wood. We might find some answers there. If my intuition is right, these seeds are of critical importance.
We've been to the Burning Bramble.
You step
Have we?
in. As it happens, several members of my community have mentioned an herbalist, rumored to be the daughter of a druid who lives in the mire. If there's any truth to it, she might be able to tell us more about these seeds. What do you say we go find her together? But first, I think we should stop by the Citadel to rest and recover. Plethor's eyes gleam with excitement and anticipation at the prospect of finally unraveling the mystery surrounding the seeds. State of play. Credible.
Yeah, there's the mire.
You have earned Plethor's trust. He believes you capable of helping him in his quest. Knowledge is +1. And take a 099 card.
Is Plethora a sketchy looking dude?
He just like is that guy that you would definitely
You want to see him?
Yeah.
be like, that guy's the bad guy in a movie.
Oh. Let's see here.
Got like a Severus Snape vibe going on, I think. A little bit of like the long, scraggly, black,
Oh.
greasy hair.
He's got that
narrow,
knowing,
mousy face.
knowing look and the smirk.
Kind of Weasley.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. He's a bad guy. He's actually like the Worm Master.
Ah, the Worm Master.
Return all. Did you take the 99 card? Yeah. +1 the knowledge and then a 99. 099.
Okay.
Great. Hope they're born. Oh wait, we visited.
There's also a lady in my work that every time she sees me, she says hi and says my name, and I have no idea who she is.
Hi,
But it makes
Brandon.
you feel welcome at the company and like you belong and have a home there.
But I don't know who she is or who her name is.
She's like the office manager or something, probably,
I don't know, I
or
feel like I've-
HR.
I feel like I've talked to HR before, and this definitely wasn't her.
HR has lots of people. HR always has lots of people.
Every time she
They gotta
sees
keep
me,
everyone
she
calm.
knows my name.
You guys probably have inside jokes too that you don't know about.
Yes,
do
sir.
because I do that stretch where I like bend my back up, but she thinks I'm like prepping up for like a fight, and so she's like, oh, you gearing up? Every time like I do that accidentally. Like, she's all the way to the end of the hall, and I'll do like a back stretch, and by the time she gets me, oh, Brandon, you gearing up? I'm like, no. But it's like hilarious to her. I have no idea who her name is. And so now every time
It's
I pass
too
her
late
for
to
the
ask
inside
now.
joke, she'll go,
Oh no!
so we have an inside joke. I don't know what her name is.
It's
or
way too late
or
to ask her name
it's
now.
Way too late by like a year.
I know what you can do.
How do I figure out
I
her
had an
name?
idea too.
Your friend you talk to all the time, ask him what her name is.
Or your new girl you're training.
Oh yeah,
Make her figure it out.
that's a good idea. That'll be her first task. I need you to figure out someone's name.
That's better than the. Actually, I was gonna say you should throw a little small potluck and then have name tags. Like, I feel like we all need to get to know each other around the office. Make sure they put on the name
The
tag.
one guy in the entire IT department that doesn't socialize and talk with everybody constantly super loud, just out of the blue is like, we should have a potluck and get to know each other.
Everybody put on a name tag.
I think there are people that have not talked to me that would be absolutely shocked that I did that. Some of them that probably didn't even know I work at the company that are in the IT section of the office.
Oh my gosh.
Did I tell you that I talked to an engineer the other day? I like went over to fix something for him, and I told him what, like I came over and was like, hey, I just need to drive on your computer 1 second to fix your problem that you're having with this application, and then you'll type something in and you'll be good to go. He's like, who are you? I was like, I'm part of IT, and I like showed my badge because if you can't see a badge, you're supposed to badge check each other. He's like, we have an IT? I was like, yeah, we have an IT department. He's like, we have an IT department? I was like, yeah, there's like 20 of us. He's like, how long have you guys been here? I'm like, the IT department's been here for 20 years. He's like, no, I've been here for like 15 and I've never heard of you guys. I was like, yeah, there's a whole team of guys that support the app you work on every single day, all day. And there's like 6 of us that do that. He's like, I've never heard of you guys. And so he walks me back to my manager to like prove. And I'm like, here's the IT manager over the IT department that you didn't know existed and was 20 feet away from you for like the last 15 years.
Oh my word.
I was like, I don't know how you've existed here.
And this guy would be like the chemical engineer or
He's like-
mechanical.
I don't know, he's probably like engineer over like valves or something, and
Yeah.
all he ever does is like look at valve schematics and
Yeah.
something. But I just like the fact that he did not believe me that we have an IT department here at like the building for the stuff, and like had me walk, like thought I was an intruder into the building trying to like
Hack his computer.
hack him
He's
to his
trying not to
computer.
get. InfoSec taught him.
He just got
Taught
done
him
with the
well.
training.
Yeah.
What age is he? Old?
Oh, he had to be
Old school?
40, 45.
Oh, that's not that old.
Not like that old.
That's not very
Just a little bit older than me, essentially.
Well,
It's not old.
Everywhere you work, there's always some semblance of an IT department.
As far as he was concerned, we do nothing but engineering on probably valves.
Like,
And
okay,
that's all he
where
knew.
did this application come from?
Bought it.
When there was a problem,
They bought it.
which there has been plenty with his application, who did they reach out to?
Yeah, exactly. Like, you have problems with this? You
I
open
mean-
support tickets? Like, who takes care of that? The ferries?
Like, I would have been like, oh yeah, he doesn't recognize me. I'm newer and I've never worked with him. That's fine. But like, not believing that there's an IT department
Wow, that blows my mind.
that's been there forever, and he's been with the company for who knows how long. I mean, he's received emails from the IT department about. Anyways, it's just like
Maybe he doesn't read those emails. Maybe he's just head down in schematics all day.
that's the
Because he
only.
doesn't have anybody to talk to.
I was the first.
He's just-
I
he
was the
just-
first person to talk to him in the entire 15 years he's worked here.
It's like, wait, there's other people working here? I thhat it was just me.
Wait a
what
second.
was that town? Who are you?
I thought this was one of those office share places, and I was the only one in Salt Lake.
There's other people in this office.
We work for the same company? No. I'm remote. I'm the only one in Salt Lake.
I thought all my coworkers are online, not in an office.
He's been on like Teams calls, and here it's like the
It's
guy one
in a
cubicle
room.
over. He's just like, man, there's a weird echo all the time in this office from my headphones.
All of his meetings have been in a conference room, just down the hall from him. He didn't know that's where it was.
Yeah,
he
he's
just
just
joins
been-
them
He's one of
remotely.
those
He's
people
just
that's
been joining
never
in the
been to
Teams
the meetings.
always.
And the meeting's like, hey, where's Bob? Everybody knows, like, he's still not here. He's remote again.
He's just connecting via
Yeah.
Teams. He doesn't like to leave his desk.
Just like to leave his desk. Nobody ever bothered to go over and
Can't
talk
get
to him.
They've always assumed, like, that's just how he likes
That's
it.
just one of his quirks. He's really good at his job, so we just kind of let him have this quirk of just
never
not
met
going
anybody
in.
on
No
his
one's
own
ever
team.
bothered to approach him, so he has no idea that there's meetings and.
No, for reals. Is he always remote work?
I've never met the guy before that time. I have no idea.
But that would be funny if he's always remote meetings.
That's just Bob. He just doesn't come to the.
Like, everything is
He
remote.
won't come physically to the meetings. He prefers to call into all of them,
Even though it's
that's-
like
he's
20
down the
feet
hall.
that way. That'd be so funny.
Okay, you.
Sorry, you can continue.
No, you need to write a book. It's coffee table book.
Like I really should, but what I really need to do is just like dictate it into something and get somebody else
Well, yeah,
like
but
do
you
something
gotta
else because
record
I just
it somehow.
can't. I can't sit down and type it.
You need to record
I
it
do.
because you got some good stories.
Some version.
Because
I've got a lot of great
I mean,
ones.
I looked and worked
I
a
don't
lot
think
of
anybody
places.
would believe the book though. Because like even telling some of the
I
stories
know,
I've
like,
told,
I can't-
I'm like
It
I don't.
sounds like a cartoon.
I don't think I
There's
told
nobody
the truth.
It sounds
who
made
would
up. I know.
hang a server rack physically from the Ethernet
Yeah, but
cable
I have
and
physical
one
proof.
bolt.
I have-
That's not possible.
I have physical
it
proof of
can't
that
have
one.
happened. You've made it up.
I have physical
Nobody
proof
would
of
be that dumb.
I had physical proof of that before AI imaging was popular.
Nobody would be dumb enough to hang the server rack from the Ethernet cables plugged into it.
Dude, bro would. Like, even his description sounds made up. I don't know. I have a hard time believing some of my own stories.
That's yeah.
I promise. All the ones I've told are real.
That's all my zone.
He's certified in storytelling.
Insane storytelling. That shouldn't. I'm a magnet for it.
Tall tales.
If I've joined your
He's
company,
Tall
everything's
Tales
about to
certified.
go downhill.
Tall Tales certified. Tell us once again about Paul Bunyan and the Blue Ox. Brandon, tell us again. Oh, Dude Bro really existed? He really hung a server rack with one bolt? Uh-huh.
And an Ethernet cable.
And an Ethernet cable? Of course he did.
Oh, man. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that place.
Return all objective cards. Unfortunately, we do not get a 99.
Because we didn't have all of them?
Yeah,
Yep.
if you ever get your AI
We
to
did
do
lose
the,
one.
the clips well enough, you
Discard
need to
all
find
of your
the
hand
Brandon
cards.
stories.
Dang it! I had good ones. You have finished the scenario. The curtain rises.
We'll get there one day.
One day.
I have dozens and dozens of AI projects I'm doing in the middle of all of them. Just like,
Shall we begin again, or
My company
Call it
sure
a
wishes
night.
that we were on AI projects. What time is it?
it's only 9? But
heck yeah, let's keep going.
We're on a roll.
I'm just not into it.
Call me
Sorry.
Butters.
You're on a roll.
Hold on, where do I spin the rope reborns? Which page is that on?
Return all the cards in the past.
What if I got you a nice little phone game to play? Would that help?
I could try to think of another wacky thing that's happened at work and just completely derail us again.
I've been making these app games. Well, Claude has at my direction. Very 100% vibe coded.
I'm so tired of arguing with Claude. So tired of arguing with him.
Sometimes he's literally a psychopath. Sometimes like insane psychopath. But there are
Alright.
other times where like the brilliance is out of this world. So it's like it just flips back and forth so much, and it's like you just understood this perfectly 15 minutes ago, and you blew my mind. How are you asking me a question about something you told me about a second ago? And it's just like,
Yeah.
sometimes.
Yeah. For a dozen apps, I had it figuring out some config for me, because my config's inconsistent across environments. And it's using a command line tool to ask the hosting system, like Kubernetes, what's the config that's currently set. It's doing a great job. Created a PowerShell script that will read all the config, parse it, tell me where the consistency across environments are. Great. This morning, though, it's like trying to run just straight out command line code instead of running its PowerShell script. It's like, we have a parsing error. Well, let me try this. Okay, allow. Well, I can't parse it. Let me try this. Yeah, allow. Undefined. Like, why aren't you using the PowerShell script you created for this? Oh, you're right. That is what that script is for.
Yeah.
I'll run that from now on. Like,
Yeah,
you've
sometimes
done
it's
this.
like,
You do this over and over and over again, and then the very next prompt, you lost your mind and forgot the script you've run over and over again now?
this is new. This is new, like the last couple months. Are you like on Opus 5.8?
I'm doing this in auto, which is, so there's a dozen it just chooses the cheapest token from or something. I don't know. So it's the dumbest one.
Yeah.
I didn't, because I'm not programming, I was just like, all you gotta do is run these command line things. You're gonna get information and just do, it creates a CSV of the information, just do a cross compare and tell me where I'm missing config. It's not hard. Any of these things have been able to do this sort of thing. So I'm like, I don't care which one's doing it. And just like, I wrote a shell script for that? Yes. You already wrote a script to do this. Why aren't you using it? You already solved this problem 3 days ago as we've gone through this, and you're like, let me stop doing this and just create a PowerShell script for it so it'll just work all the time. Like, great. You forgot that you had it?
Yeah, I don't know. This is something like even with the Opus 5.8, like even the supposedly best one they have right now. Like the last couple of days, happened a little bit last week too. Like suddenly you'll just be like, I don't know who I am or where I am anymore. And it's like, I'm like, can you just? I don't know what happened to you. Just read the last like couple messages to get back on track. Because there's nothing compacted or anything. It just suddenly was like absolutely lost its mind.
I've had Copilot do that a little bit because I've been using
It is
to
Copilot I'm using.
I've been using a little bit trying to create some automated scripts to set up like a start establishment for a data model with this certain app where it sets up certain tables. But it's been auto scripting it. It's been like building out like a set of scripts, and because you can't just automate it all at once, it's been writing down like instruction stuff of like what steps to follow and do these scripts at these times, kind of a thing, and like the stuff I have to manually do inside the app. But it's been like going through iterations, and while I'm trying to understand how it does stuff, but every once in a while I'll be like, okay, give me a new package with all of the corrections we've done and all the stuff all together, so I can have everything in one place, so it's not all spread out. And like, it's like 90% of the time I'll just get like an empty zip file that has like half of one of the readmes in it. I'm like, no, this is completely empty. I need all of it in it. It's like, no, I packaged everything in this zip. You just need to go up to this link and download it and have there. And I'm like, no, it's not on there. It's like, well, can you send me a screenshot of what you're seeing? And so I'm like, here you go. It's like, oh, yeah, it's not all in there. Let me recompile that all for you. It's like,
Yeah.
it's like, what? And like half the time I ask it to like put everything back together, I go through those like same actions of like it like fighting back on me on like it not doing what it just did.
Fight.
And it's like, no, you prove it to me. And it's like, well, you could just look at what you did. It's like, oh yeah, I just didn't do that.
Yeah.
Let me make it properly for you this time. It's like,
Yeah.
okay.
It's happening a lot more where it's just like, oh yeah, I chose not to do it. I'm like, well, why? I just didn't want to. I just didn't.
It's weird.
Don't like it.
I think it must be something to do with like with this whatever the government is forcing Anthropic. I don't know if Copilot.
I don't know
You
what
can
my
go Kitty AI up into the Git Copilot. The GitHub Copilot one.
That's
well,
what
no,
I,
Microsoft.
that's what I'm
put
doing.
I put in a request to get the one for my local environment. This is just the one that's standard with our Windows environment,
For the Windows Copilot one.
the Windows Copilot. But our domain authorized on-site Windows Copilot, if that makes any sense.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know what it's using, to be honest.
They just call it Copilot, which I think is weird. But
Yeah.
there's got to be like an actual.
The only options I have are think fast or think deep. Are the options I have to be able to set, and then it has a history of my chats. And the only thing I can do is interact with like basic file upload, and that's even extremely limited. But it's been surprisingly helpful with what I've been working on, just because this application has like a weird history of making a lot of technical docs that are not very easy to human search. Let's just say, in the way they like organize it. So it's hard to find what you want, but having like the AI be able to just like scan through the whole thing quickly to find what I need to compare it is actually worked out fairly well so far.
Sounds like the Google Docs where I was with the state of Utah. They had everything in Google Docs and not organized well at all. Like it wasn't intuitive at all. You couldn't.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's messy.
It's also one of those softwares where, unless you've established or found some kind of context from what other people have talked about, or you know what you want to look for, you don't quite know what to look for to answer your question,
Yeah,
just because it's so
I get that.
different. Because it's a GIS software, a geological information system, and so there's a lot of terms in that and ways of thinking that they do in their own programming way, but they do it in their own very special geographical information way of like terminology and explaining things. That's like, oh, unless you went and take these courses and got like a 5-year degree in this, it's not gonna make a whole lot of sense. Good luck. But
Is that a cloud app?
Huh?
Is that a cloud app?
Yeah, I got cloud. I'm trying to get him to restart the server for this game that I made.
are we doing buildings or are you doing?
I'm building buildings.
Okay.
I'm not consulting
wanna
any of you
I
about
want
them.
you to try this
I
game.
don't trust you.
I
Get him
just
to-
chose buildings we haven't
Good.
had before.
It's okay. You don't have to.
Might as well.
There you go.
Didn't he have one building that his character was trying to use at one
Oh,
point?
is there a building you need?
No, he like needed like a library or academy or something, didn't he?
I need.
What building do you need?
Place of worship, cemetery, fortune teller's hut.
Yeah, academy.
Any of those two.
I was still off.
You said cemetery?
Yeah, place of worship, cemetery, or fortune teller's hut. 2 of those 3.
I don't see Forge Teller's
Fortune
Hut. It
Teller's
could be one of
Hut.
these random ones. We can start with the place of worship. Done.
Awesome.
We have one of them.
Okay.
Yeah, I've just asked it 3 times for the QR code to scan for this app to get.
Where is it hosted?
It hosts the game,
On that?
but there's like this dev app that like you use it just it's designed for hot loading just apps are developing, right?
Sorry.
So, what was that?
Nothing. I don't talk about it.
Okay.
Brain dead.
Are we
I
ready?
did things.
Yeah.
Okay, return all of. Did you guys return your hand cards? By the way?
Yes. Well, I discarded them all.
Oh yeah. Discard them.
Oh, this is temporary too.
Yeah. So discard your hand cards. Now return all cards with keyword temporary. Oh,
Is it temporary?
really? How do I get that back? Unblock all hand cards.
Seems weird. That's temporary.
Isn't this part of your class?
I can't remember how I got it. Is it
Well, you
this-
got it when you like
is it this
revealed
one?
the card about your class.
Take
or
a
whatever.
700 card. Was that a 700 card?
It was. No, it wasn't
It
700
was like
exactly.
720 or something.
749.
Oh,
You have the 700 somewhere. Maybe this is 700.
yes.
I don't know where you got the 749. Or maybe there's a way to get it back, like when you get a ghost or something.
Yeah, maybe. Okay. Unblock hand cards. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Shuffle all the cards and discard back into action.
Shuffle your cards.
Reshuffle everything back together.
Block, keyword companion. Back at the Citadel, Plethor surveys the camp with interest. You've done an outstanding job here. It's impressive to see what you have built in a place like this, and in so little time. You summoned Bael to your quarters. She was in charge of potions under Nina Desir. She enters arms full of dried herbs. Can you tell us more about the herbalist who is said to live in the mire? Bael thinks for a moment before replying. From what I've heard, she's the daughter of a renowned druid and lives in an isolated hut somewhere along the shore of the Great Sea. Unfortunately, I don't know anything else about her. You thank her for the information. We leave tomorrow, you tell Plethor, who nods as he picks up the leather pouch containing the 50 or so seeds he obtained in Port Vile. There's still something mysterious about this man. You know that one day you will need to press him further about how he came into possession of those seeds. But for now, your focus must be on what awaits you in the mire. Your primary goal will be to show the seeds to the herbalist. This woman, said to be the daughter of a druid, is believed to live somewhere in the mire along the shores of the Great Sea.
It's like south.
Your other primary goal is that Plethor must survive.
Really?
Plethor's carrying the seeds and holds vital information that you do not yet possess.
The Great Sea is the thing that surrounds Kale.
Yeah. And then, like, right south of us is the mire.
Oh, there's the herbalist right there.
Oh, it says?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So we go past the old cemetery.
Mm-hmm.
So somehow we got to get south of the old cemetery, which I'm not sure we know how to do that.
Because we've been here.
Have we?
Yeah. We've been under the bloody plain.
How
It's
did-
all the red grass
how
that
did we get
every
to
step
that?
took us.
Didn't we start down here though when we did that?
Oh, I don't know.
We didn't come down from there.
But we've been to the cemetery.
Yeah, but when you get past that, it's like you need ground tripper level.
But it's the
8.
root. Okay. Yeah.
Do we have options of where we can start the adventure?
I don't think we're at the beginning of the next one yet.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Continue.
For this scenario, ground shiver is level 3.
That's not.
Take a 630 card.
No, it's Plethor.
Wait, wasn't there someone that offers you to like cross the sea to somewhere?
Maybe.
Like that little rowboat
Yeah.
right off of
Yeah.
like right here.
Yeah.
Set all life point counters to 0.
No.
Then to 9.
I'm going straight to 9.
You cheat.
I am a cheater. I'm
You
tired
scoundrel.
of that nonsense.
Each player draws 2 cards from their action deck. A reflex, 2 reflexes in a row.
Nice.
Oh my gosh.
That's not good. What
You win.
want.
Can I just draw 2 more?
Yeah, reshuffle it and
I
draw
got my
more.
luck card.
Nope, you're stuck with them.
Brandon says no.
I'm shuffling.
Every day I'm shuffling. Who's in charge here anyway?
I don't know. I keep saying stuff like I am all the time.
But you don't want to be.
I don't want to be.
If Travis was around, we'd
Shut
have
up.
him in charge.
Oh no, it's so sad. They'll come back one day.
Travis 2.0.
I'm actually spec that.
Brad, is he around to read shuffle? Brad? Brad. Did you kill Brad?
I should have him put in his mission papers and invite everybody to the opening.
Send it to your family. And
And the joke is that you guys just sit and wait for the missing papers to come, but they never come.
Yeah, they'll be here any day. Brad's put in his mission.
Brad
Put in his
mission papers.
Put in the request for mission papers or whatever it is. How would you say that?
These days he's submitted to the portal, to the mission portal. He submitted his papers to the mission portal or something like
There
that.
you go, buddy.
The portal is a keyword there somehow,
Yeah.
So I can scan it?
which is basically just a
Or do
website.
you have to have...
You have to have a specific app that knows how to.
Because when I first got
install
him, I was gonna
the-
get like the baby toddler cage thing, with like a few little toys and be like, "This is my son. I've been keeping him secret." And I never did do
And
that.
it just has to. It has
I
to
was
like
really
to run a
tempted.
new network. Has to make a new IP.
Here's the
like,
se-
just
There's a
make
secret
a
I've
new
been
IP
keeping
and
from
start
all of you.
a server.
I have a son you didn't know about.
Because all of my siblings would be like, "Oh wow, okay,
All right,
yeah.
this is a submarine game.
Let's try to support him. He's coming.
You
he's
have.
he's
these
opening up
two,
to us."
types of game modes.
And then like 2 seconds later, I sent a picture of the plant.
You should try one.
I'd have them eating at the palm of my hand.
How many times would they fall for this? For your shenanigans?
They don't know me well enough to every time.
Apparently not.
Those rocks?
Yeah.
They'd all be
Don't
too
hit
scared
the
to
rocks.
upset me enough to
And
just
collect
play
as
along
many
with
clues
it.
as you
Wes,
can.
did you know Brandon has a son?
Oh.
Like, yeah. I know. I've met him.
I've talked to him.
He doesn't talk very much.
Wait.
He doesn't
You
respond.
only have so many of those. You ran
He's
out.
not a very talkative kid.
Oh, that I would have needed those.
Not very talkative.
Damn, that's pretty cool.
Did you make a video game?
Uh-huh.
That's for any video game any of us have tried to make.
Well, I didn't do any of the programming.
That's not lie. I made a
I haven't looked at a single line of code.
It's a thing.
Done lots of arguing.
the jumping games. Anyways,
Yeah.
I've made one of those
The
platformer, kind of like Rocket Jump.
Look at it doing all the things.
What was that game called? That was like top of the apps chart forever, where you're like the little alien and you jump on the platforms on your phone.
I don't know that one.
Super Meat Boy.
No,
Subway Surfer.
no, that was much later. That one baffles me in the sense that a lot of streamers have a plug-in for that game just going in the bottom left-hand side of their screen, but no one's playing the game.
They do?
Yeah, it's just like something to like streamers not doing something entertaining enough. Oh, that might entertain me a little bit.
Oh.
Oh, okay. And it's just like a loop of someone playing Subway Surfer.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah.
Because the streamer's definitely not playing it. They're doing something else on stream. But they just like have Subway Surfer going on the corner because attention spans are so small that they have to have something to go to then come back to the streamer. And
People's attention span these days.
like, and I would be like, okay, it's kind of funny. You can like see what he's playing, but he's not playing it.
He's not playing it. We don't even know if that was him playing it then.
Yeah, I don't think it was. I don't know. It's a weird thing.
Okay.
Now aren't you?
We've done.
Yeah, that's fun. Can't believe it.
We've chosen cards, set things to
Unblock
hit points
some or
on.
all of their cards with the keyword companion.
I don't think we have any companions.
Plethora now.
Return all the Hope Reborn cards that are blocked.
Returned.
Remember to look up your side quests. Cards in the world
Done.
map. The effects of your built buildings.
Effects of the buildings is something, because I chose a building for you that we've never had before, and you're going to love it.
Oh, I'm excited. I'm ready to roll the dice.
Okay, we get a knowledge and an influence. A place of worship that you needed. But you needed 2 buildings, right?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we'll get the other one. Okay. We get a 149. Oh, I know what that is. That's not. I didn't do the gambling den.
Oh, I don't get to roll my dice.
No. But someone chooses one of these. Dun dun dun.
Dun, dun, dun.
Okay, the next one's the exciting one, I promise.
A spool of thread.
Yes.
Nice.
Nice. Somebody want it?
Everyone return all of your animals.
Does a centipede count as an animal?
It'll say animal.
Okay, I don't have one.
Choose.
Do I get a dog?
Choose one of these.
Dog.
It's called a hound.
I got a pet hound.
Hound.
There you go. Your jaw did it. Your jaw did it
It's
right.
involuntary. You can't.
I know.
not-
You have to. If you're gonna say
Which
hound,
hound
your
is
jaw
it?
has
You
to do
gotta
that.
disconnect your jaw a little bit.
Hound.
You got a pet one. It helps with gifts, digging, and fighting.
Pet Howard.
Yeah. Pet hound.
Does
Affectionate
anybody?
animal with a silky coat.
Does anybody not have a decent weapon?
I mean, I have a hoe.
I have a pickaxe.
No, I'm talking about weapons,
Oh, sorry.
not your companion. Sorry. Not sorry.
Not sorry.
Okay, who needs? Does somebody need? I think I have a weapon. I've got a good weapon.
Someone in need of one?
I got some pokies,
Drew, do you have a weapon?
spikies.
I have a pickaxe.
Okay, then I'm going to take this because this is likely to
You
break.
have the not really a weapon. That was all of the buildings.
Okay.
I've done it.
Okay. I put a 75 card into play.
Now they just want us to go home.
No, we went home
We
already.
went home.
We auto went home.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
You
you
just teleported
we are
us
at the
there.
Citadel.
Okay, if you say so.
We actually would probably go in like that or something.
Well, that's right. What's his name? Looked around our camp and he's like, I want everything here. Dude. I'm gonna scoop everything out and I'm gonna steal it all from you guys.
Yeah.
He does look that way.
Which way was the person that was like by the lake with like a rowboat and they would take you somewhere?
No.
Yeah.
Who-
Because I have a feeling we might need to talk. I can't remember whether it's this way or down. You guys, I'm not crazy. That
I
was
know
a
what
thing.
you're
that-
talking
There-
about. It
Here's the
happened
thing.
one time.
I think they take you either to Kel or somewhere else.
And I think it's that somewhere else we need to go.
To kill?
I thought we were going to the burning branch.
But it's like south.
No.
I thought it was.
It is
on
south somewhere
The, I
in
thought it
those
was on
rivers.
the east side.
So we're trying to get to the herbalist,
Maybe it's on our side
which
of
is
the river.
just south of the cemetery, but we couldn't go past the cemetery. And it's like on this.
Maybe we can cross the river here somewhere. Because we've been to there.
Yeah, but to get to the bloody. Okay, when we went to the bloody plain, didn't we start at a different location than the Citadel?
we could have been in Kel, but either way, Blood Plain's straight that way.
From Kel.
You have to go way down south, like past the cemetery.
Yeah.
I think
And
we've
then
got.
hard
I
left.
think we've got to go to the cemetery.
But did we do that from our Citadel, or did we start south?
I don't know which one we started at. Either way, went there though.
Okay, well let's just start going south then, because it's just
Across the river, though.
It's across the river that's next to the Bloody Plain, but it's just northeast of the Bloody Plain. The herbalist
Is north of the Bloody Plain?
northeast.
Yeah.
So like
Our destination is?
yeah, so the Bloody Plain's like right here, and there's like a river going, and the herbalist is right here, and the Great Sea is all of this.
Let's go down
like
there.
hell
Maybe
over
we've been
here.
to her before, even. We just don't
maybe.
remember.
I don't know. Our best bet is probably to just start heading south and try to find a way around. I don't
Brad,
know
I'm
what's-
here for your welfare visit. I believe once upon a time you had a sibling.
Don't tell him anything.
Brad, where's your sibling? Brad,
It's planted in there.
Brad, where's your sibling?
It's gotta be in there.
He's in there somewhere.
There's a lot going on in there.
The Edith
It's
sibling?
growing surprisingly well.
Check this out. I made a soccer. The soccer game
Oh,
is
that
really
stuff's gonna
Did you
become
break a
something-
rock?
No, that stuff's gonna
You have,
become
like,
something
this
cool. That's blue amber.
management view. where
That's
you
amber?
draw these
It's blue
shapes.
amber from
You
Indonesia.
put shapes anywhere. And, you
And
like,
so once
say
I
your team's not allowed-
polish it,
these specific players can't go in here, so you're like using shapes
That's
to like
gonna go inside
force
something.
them
so
to
it's,
go in
it
specific
gets this
ways
iridescent
and, like,
blue when it
make
hits
different
UV.
plays.
If I polish
you can, like,
enough,
link
it's gonna
them
look
to
more
each
like a
other, so,
gem
like,
once this hits
this
it.
player always
And
has
if
to
it's
stay in this
if I can get it just
uh,
right when it's in
relationship
regular
with these other
sunlight,
players,
it'll get a slight
and
blue
then these
hue
guys
inside
stay
of the
formation,
inside of the
these-
yellow.
You know, so you
And
can
You're
I'm going
embedding
to-
build
this
your
in
team
something.
however you want.
Yeah, it's gonna be a
And then
gift.
you go into like a simulation.
And I'm gonna pair it with this opal I was able to get my hands on.
Oh my heavens.
And if that doesn't work, I have
It's
two
just like
slabs
a-
of
I don't know if you've played,
artificial
like a Final Fantasy
opal
Tactics
that I'll
type
use
game,
instead.
but it's like all it's
This
just
is
turn-based
Suba?
soccer.
No, this is just gonna be a charm.
Oh wow.
Someone was mentioning
And
me
then it,
just their
like,
favorite
calculates
gems.
everybody's
Uh-huh.
movements and then
And they
automatically
mentioned these, and I
does
looked them up. I was
everything.
like, oh, I have some great
So
ideas I can
moved,
do that
and then,
with.
like,
But the problem
the
is,
ball got stolen.
These
I
are
couldn't
junk
do my guy, so now my
pieces.
guy doesn't
Those
have
are
the
just-
ball anymore.
like,
Oh.
I mean, if you look at the quality of like what's designed, they're junk,
And so like they can
and these
flip
still
the ball
cost me 30
anywhere,
$30 a
So
piece.
it's like
Uh-huh.
it's
But like
it's easier
good
to
pieces
tackle
that are
them from
like
here,
have
but
a
like
good
80%
thickness
tackle
or
chance,
like
but, if I move back
even
here,
just
it's
like
a
that
6 to
big,
8%
are like
chance.
hundreds of dollars.
And so like it's all super tactical.
And I found this, and like there was like one you can get 5 small pieces that are good grade, only $400.
And it's just amber. Oh, because it's
blue
amber,
amber.
because it's biological.
It's a biological
It
blue
glows as well.
amber, but it's from only one mine in Indonesia where you get this effect. And this is like junk off cut
This is the
pieces that
garbage.
like nobody actually wanting blue amber.
Because it was
they would
cutting other
never
things,
want
and
it.
that's the
well, it's
what was
because
left.
it's got like all of like the muck on the bottom half of
Yeah.
this, where it's like
Yeah.
not
Yeah.
you don't get any of the cool effect, you know.
That's pretty interesting. Like that.
And then this opal was off of like
AI
an
make-
offcut that
can make
was
that.
broken and
Just like the scrap that was left or something.
From, like, someone working on something else that I was able to get my hands on.
And everything, 'cause it would have a really hard
so it was like
time.
it's difficult to
Because
get
it
that stuff.
knows
So I'm never gonna
soccer.
do
Like I played soccer, so I understand.
because like doing it
The mindset
properly
of
would,
each
would
position.
like
Oh,
just to get the
like,
materials
it
would
couldn't
be
figure me that.
$300.
It just was like, it didn't know. So like
Be a
I
lot.
didn't essentially explain the rules of soccer and how each
But-
player would play, and then it was able to like build the AI for it and
Anyways.
all that stuff.
Okay.
Should we just start going down?
Is this? Yeah. Let's just head south. Let's go.
Let's go.
A colossal shadow stretches across the ground for just a few seconds before vanishing. Startled, you instinctively raise your head to scan the skies,
Don't do that.
trying to figure out what caused it. But no matter how long or how hard you look, there's nothing up there that can explain what just happened.
Just looking for
If
your
no
eyeballs.
card 763 is available in the adventure deck, it feels like a weird sentence.
That's the expansion.
There is one available.
Go on your way. But if there is,
A pterodactyl.
Okay, this would have further a quest.
Okay.
Wait, if no card is available, write down that on the side quest page, and then check initiated box, and then check one box. Okay, yeah, I guess if we had already
We have
used
to
that,
find the quest first.
well, no, because this would start the quest.
Okay.
The quest name is The End of the World,
Oh, well, that's convenient.
but we haven't used that card, so that
So
would
if it
happen.
ended, we won't even know it.
Yeah, it's not the end yet.
Okay.
081.
Huh. Yeah, I mean, it's fine.
Well,
It's fine.
ignorance
It's not
is
the end of the
bliss.
world. We haven't
is
done whatever
fine.
causes that yet.
It could be
Because we're the cause of the end of the world.
I mean, it could be at the end of the map, too.
True. True.
There's actually this pub in Edinburgh called At World's End because it was literally at the end of the world for some people because there was a toll booth at the city gate that you had to pay to go through. Well, if you're too poor
That's the
to
end of the
pay
world.
for it,
That's it.
you cannot see the other side of that gate.
Interesting.
And your entire world is
At the end right there.
right there contained within those walls.
Interesting.
Can you imagine?
That's not
Obviously, this was several hundred years ago, but
Oof.
yeah,
That's.
the peasant life.
Or it's like, or I've like heard people talk about like similar to that, but it's just too dangerous to leave the city walls if you can't like pay for a guard or whatever, and so your whole life just is like you don't dare leave the city walls past like 100 feet because who knows what bandits or whatever out there that would just snag an individual,
Yeah.
and so they just are like too scared to like leave their city block inside their city. They just their entire life they just spend there.
I could probably do that if they had internet.
Oh, I could definitely do that. I'd pay them to let me do that.
You keep everyone out. I'm here. No one gets in.
I actively pay rent here to do that and not leave this building as much as possible. Like my directions app tries really hard to be dynamic and tell me like what options I'm most likely to click on. And every once in a while it tries to switch it up, but my only two options are work or Wes's house. And every once in a while it gets the work one wrong,
It tries to get spicy.
but it's always Wes's house, and it spices it up every once in a while by putting a different place than work. And I have to tell it, no, I'm going to work every single morning for the last, I don't know how many years. The thing you always label as work that I just changed the address for, I'm always going to work in the morning. And then it gets cheeky and he's like, well, you might want to go to Wes's house after work. I'm like, go home.
Well, you might want to.
It's closer.
You don't know what's going
It's
on
only
over there.
15 minutes to go to Wes's house. And so it puts it at the top of the list. And then I
Did
have
you
to
stop
know,
by
go
Andrea's work, which is 2 buildings over, to see if maybe you want to go to Wes's house afterwards?
Can you imagine if you tried living your life just following AI's recommendations all the time?
Oh my god! Make that a YouTube
home.
channel.
Where would you?
But you get so many subscribers.
You could, yeah. That's actually
Build that YouTube
AI
channel.
plays OJ's life.
Yeah, AI plays.
Yeah.
It's a whole new subgenre.
Uh-huh.
Like some of it's part of it makes me wonder. You know the 7 steps to Kevin Bacon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like I almost wonder if something like that would happen.
Like, it always ends up at the same thing.
Like
No matter
after
what
so many
path.
steps, like you're almost guaranteed to end up at this step every time you start over.
So I was trying to talk you into suicide. After 6 steps, you're like, you want me to research sleeping drugs?
Should we go pick up some rope from Home Depot?
Or like it always gets you to one X city after 50 steps. Just somehow
Right.
always leads you to this city,
Yeah.
no matter what you do. Like, no matter
Say-
what, you're going to end up in
You always
LA.
end up in Silicon Valley.
Something. Okay, a group of white snap-mouthed birds swirl around, screeching and snapping their jaws. We have a fight.
Okay.
Um,
I can hear them.
right.
the first
hear that?
one,
I can hear them.
and now it's harder. No.
Great.
Chain 2, 3 successes for the first one. And if we can beat that first one, first go, it'll take us down to the last fight.
That may not be that hard.
So someone can do a chain 2, 3 success.
That
I
actually.
mean, I can do.
That's pretty easy, actually.
I mean, if I can get 3 swirls, I can do hella damage,
hit
but it's probably not
anyways.
worth it for this.
I too can get if I have a fist and 2 other symbols, I could get 3 stars
Okay.
using the pickaxe.
I feel like you'd have a high chance of getting that.
Probably the best
I get a plus chain no matter what, and I can get 2 other plus chains if I need it.
So, well, chains.
Or I can give you a wild card
Oh,
if
that
I'm
would
just
help.
involved.
Okay. Yeah, I might.
Because you could either use that for the fist or the wild cards.
Yeah. Either way,
Yeah, because I might not get fist.
either I have
because-
another chain
Let's do that.
and fists give me stars, or I can just be involved and you get
So the first
a wild,
for the first one.
wild
Yeah.
card.
Because I'll need at least chain 2 and then 3.
I think that's a better bet. Trying to get his weapon to activate.
2 hit points, huh? But it goes all the way down to here if we
Yeah,
succeed.
and then I could just spend 5 cards to just dump that one out of the way.
So 1, 2. I'm not really going for stars. I'm going for symbols.
And if you don't need it, I can make you just ignore all the. Oh, this is a discard card. Never mind, it won't work on the 3rd one. That seems like a lot.
Nice.
There's your 3.
The reflex is already pretty good. Double reflex.
Okay, so I'm gonna have to use.
Well, you can also just use those 2 and his card, and you could use your weapon.
Yeah, so. That's
Well,
1,
your
2,
chain 2 alone
3.
gets you 3 of them. Oh,
Wait. Oh, these 2?
yeah.
Oh, right there.
Without
Yeah.
using the.
Yeah, you don't have to use anything.
There you go.
Okay.
So you take 2 damage,
That was gonna happen no matter what.
and then I just spend 5 cards.
Yeah.
And I get a star, and I can spend this to put one of these back in my hand. Yeah. And then we get a 005, or I take a 005, whatever that is.
You are.
Oh. Somebody want a hand card? Mine aren't great,
need-
and I'll
I
replace
need
them.
one.
This you spend some cards.
Go move us.
Ooh, good.
We didn't want to dig up the trebuchet.
No.
We can't move it.
I mean, the dock could kind of help us a little bit, but definitely not enough for
No.
what that trebuchet requires.
We need Rocco to get that.
A stone grazes past your face. You soon find out where it came from. A giant bug attacks us.
Come on, really?
Yeah,
You're just-
another fight, just one right after the other.
Yes.
This one, we kind of just have to do both. Chain 2, 3 success, and then chain 3, 2 success. I could spend cards to try to get swirlies.
Ambush means.
Only if ground shiver level 5 or higher. Which we're at level 3, aren't we?
Yeah.
So we don't get ambush.
Okay.
All right, so I mean, I could still try to do this again.
I don't mind trying one of
Pickaxe.
them. I could probably do either
'Cause you could-
one.
If I, need your 3rd
Yeah,
icon.
we can do that again if you want.
Do you have that card still?
Yeah.
Because you could also help me try to get Rain of Blades.
Oh, jeez.
I don't know if it's worth it to try to spend it on this, but
no.
I have that.
It's good to
No.
know.
Holy crap.
It can sometimes be difficult for me to get the swirlies, but
Yeah, that would help with the swirlies. Or I can have plus chains if I.
I also have a star from the hoe, and I can do
yeah.
the chain. Oh, I can't do both at the same time.
Okay.
I could either raise the chain or have a star.
Do it, and if Plethora
Oh,
helps,
look
he
at
gives
I
he
can-
gives a symbol.
Hound would make me be able to take the.
I could do this, too.
damage.
I could give myself
Oh, that would
also
discard the pet though. I don't want to do that.
a
Isn't it if you're involved?
yeah.
Oh,
So I get
you You're not, yeah,
I
yeah,
could,
yeah.
if I get 2 icons myself,
That's the
I won't
same
have
card
to
I have.
yours.
Yeah. Actually, plethora can help, and you get a symbol
Oh, nice. Okay.
flag. Yours flag. Yours isn't
I
flag.
think I'm gonna just do.
Yeah, but flag or penguin would count as a random.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Plethora wants to help you.
Okay.
Oh, you got all 3.
So that gives me 3, and
That takes this out. But you take another damage.
okay.
So we should probably not let you do any more of those where you take damage. Next one is a chain 3/2 success. Did you say you wanted to try that
I
one?
can do it.
Okay.
Nice. Spare no effort. I didn't need this after all.
You know, Bugs Life told me that praying mantises were nice, and I tried to pick one up at one time as a kid, and it
They're
bit
nice.
me so hard.
Did it bite you, or did it use its pincers?
No,
It
it
bit
like grabbed onto my finger and would not let go, and at the time it felt like it was gonna try to take a chunk out of my finger. And I just like blood curdling screamed in my garage holding this massive praying mantis that I thought was gonna be a friend. I guess I could have been rough with it, but I didn't think I was, and it just would not let go until I killed it.
There's one in a jar on our dining table right now.
Is there really?
Henry.
They caught a little one. Henry caught a little one, put it in a jar. He put a ladybug in there with it, a roly-poly. I caught a tiny grasshopper to put in there with it. We can't find the grasshopper anymore.
Understandable.
But we didn't see it happen either.
And there's no way for it to escape.
Not really.
Moths.
Dang.
Moths, I think are.
They eat moths as well.
Yeah.
I think they also can eat spiders.
Yeah.
I'm not touching a
I think
spider.
this is all I was gonna try. Is this? Oh, that's easy. Burp.
They caught him like, you guys finally found a pet that I will approve of being in the house.
Oh, did Jane ever watch the last spider video I sent her?
You send her spider videos?
Yeah, I'm trying to get her into getting a spider.
Maisie was freaking out about spiders this afternoon. Like wanting to know when the pest sprayer is coming back because she saw a spider in her room and she just learned today that they can play dead. Is that your doing?
They can play dead.
Are you still keeping jumping spiders?
No, I plan on getting new ones someday,
Yeah.
but
So you had
mine
all the
died.
setup for it.
Yeah, I've got all the stuff for it. I want to. I'm not gonna do it again until I can actually. I really want to set up like a live streaming cam in it,
Oh.
and like some automatic feeders and a better way of It was really annoying to do all the fly breeding I was doing and all the maggot farming.
Yeah.
There was a bunch that was a pain, and I don't want to get back into it until I have a.
You
better
seem to have
system.
had way more flies and maggots than a tiny little jumping spider could possibly consume.
You need that many to keep them breeding. You need at least 200 flies to keep a generating more flies.
Like a colony alive to keep
Yeah.
a colony alive.
Any
Because
less than 200, they won't breed.
Yeah, because the
enough
generations
to
are
survive.
like just a couple days, right?
It's a month.
No, I mean like their lifespan.
It's a month.
Really, that long?
hmm
Well, I didn't know that.
For one jumping spider.
So there'll be a maggot for a week, and then 3 more weeks as a fly. So about 4 weeks. I had it down to almost the day. I knew exactly when the pupae would hatch, and it's I got the science down. It's just pain.
Science.
Yeah, I need to find a better automated way of doing it.
We're a different hobby.
151.
You want to take up sailing?
I don't know where to go to Great Salt Lake and sail.
No, they just removed all the boats from the Great Salt Lake because there's no
Yeah.
water anymore.
There's no water.
They shifted one. Oh no, that was at Lake Powell. They shifted one of the docks at Lake Powell.
They did move it. You can't get a boat in or out of Lake Powell right now.
No, but they shifted one of the.
They moved the docks where all the houseboats were, damaging some in the process.
Yeah, and then they extended one of the boat ramps
I
twice
think that's down in Walweep though.
to get all the way to the water. And I just know we're at
It's all.
we're at a crazy low to where they're releasing reservoir water at other reservoirs to feed in to just keep it at the power generating level.
Yep.
And if it drops too far below that,
It's called dry something.
they're either going to run
And it's just,
a dry bed,
it's just over.
but if it starts heading towards that way, there's already plans to do an emergency outlet in a different section of the dam to create a new release outlet further down than what was ever planned, but to basically bore through the dam to create an emergency outlet to prevent that from happening.
Or California could quit demanding they release all the water a couple of years ago.
Yeah, for all their
They could
corn and all their
for
farming.
all the almonds,
Is that what it is?
all the
Some,
almonds and avocados.
There's
or
like
something?
some extremely water heavy crop that they're
Yeah. Their crops take so much water.
because it was cheap to get the water
Do I get to keep any of
20
these?
years or 30 years ago or something like that.
Yeah, they've always been taking more water than. It depends on how you read the contract.
Did that say I get
What?
to keep
They've
anything?
always been taking more water than is
No,
their
not unless you
share.
failed.
There's a
So you're
they
ready for it.
split the water in half, and then 3 of the states they said they get it by percentage, and the other 3 they said they get it by actual acre feet of water. And the percentage ones have never been getting their percentage for decades. They're not getting the percentage, but the measurement ones they've demanded theirs. California is one of the we demand our 2 million acre feet no matter what happens, and the ones who are like, we cumulative get 50% of the water. I'm like, no, you don't. We get our 200 acre feet. Like, but we're not getting our percentage.
Yeah.
Right. But we're California.
Ready for them to sink into the ocean.
But we're further up the stream, so we should be able to get to the water first.
Zero
The
for
Fed finally has stepped in the last couple weeks.
Oh, did they really?
They finally have been like, all right, you guys didn't come to agreement. Your deadline has passed.
Well, we were supposed to come to agreement, 10, 15 years ago?
Yes. Yeah, like it's over.
And we've just been bickering since then.
Yeah.
And now it's become a massive problem.
One of the reservoirs they're stealing water from to fix that problem is Flaming Gorge.
Yeah.
And there's Flaming Gorge can't just always be your emergency backup. That just doesn't happen because people need that water to survive. Okay, does somebody need hand card?
I could use a hand
Wants
card.
to move us. Does anybody want to do the eyeball? Okay.
No.
Oh, nice. Okay. I'm set up pretty good at the moment. You cross a stretch of tall grass and keep your eyes open for the beast lurking there. Can you please be quiet while I'm reading?
I interrupted you. I apologize.
Thank you.
I will go to my shame corner.
Yes. During the draw step of the following action, you may not draw more than 3 cards. During the result step, if you are focused, you get a star. Is anybody focused?
No.
I'm unleashed.
Okay. Is anybody confused?
No.
Do you have the actual card confused?
Okay, it's an eyeball action. 0 required cards, 2 stars. You can't draw more than 3.
This doesn't sound hard.
So essentially 3 cards for 2 stars. But I could also, well, it's an eyeball action. I have 1 guaranteed star.
I've not spent any cards yet. It's
Okay.
3 cards.
You can't draw more than 3.
Okay.
So yeah.
I just need
3.
2 successes.
Yeah.
This should be so easy. Done.
Okay. Take 276. And if that's not available, there's a different card.
Oh, it's another companion. What were we doing? We're just looking for a guy? We've had this guy before.
We're going around. There's just tall grass.
Okay, we have 2 companions.
What are you
Who is
doing
it?
looking at?
Bald? We've had him before.
Oh, okay.
He's good at puzzles and talking.
Okay. And then we need a 197.
What's our symbol for this scenario? It look like
The
seeds?
masquerade mask.
Seeds, yeah.
Oh.
Numerous tombstones overlook the mire, Strange to find them so far from civilization.
Dun, dun, dun.
We're already in the mire then.
Oh, yeah.
This is the mire. Okay.
Oh wait, this
Getting
is
close.
you
Something
can
on
only
this
go
card.
past this if you have
Maybe. There's something about this card.
that allows you to go past the
There's something on
cemetery.
this card that's different from the default one.
I think the default one has higher explorations.
Maybe. Yeah. We don't even read these anymore.
What ground shiver level are we at?
3.
This is still level 5.
Okay. Well, maybe it's
This is 7.
this thing because the moment we get on there, that happens.
Okay. Should
That
we
might
do
be
it?
new. I don't remember that. Yeah, who's gonna go?
Like I have one guaranteed star for anything. and
Whoever
a bunch of
goes,
fun ones.
it has to do whatever that is.
Let me do it.
Okay, I agree.
I'm afraid.
I'm fearless. I moved.
I should.
656. I probably should have done it, but he volunteered, and I
As
just
the
was like, okay.
companions.
Well, why don't
The
we?
companions might.
Don't worry about it.
We
You
can't,
can't
move
follow
we
him.
can't
I can
follow
do
him.
anything.
Okay,
656.
I believe you.
656.
Are you talking to me?
Yes. Anytime I say a number, it has to do with you.
Are you sure?
Yes.
That doesn't sound right.
It's always right. I'm number certified.
It's just because you know this is a number. Doesn't mean you know what it's for. As you move along the base of the cemetery, a bird's song catches your attention. Perched on a branch, it whistles carelessly until the branch suddenly twists, turning into a hooked claw that grabs it. With a violent motion, it crushes the bird, cutting off its song in one final piercing shriek. You're about to leave this grim place when another tree stirs and tries to seize you. I don't remember this happening. During the following action, the active player is whoever revealed this.
You must dodge.
Are you good at dodging?
I can do anything.
I agree.
Okay.
I like your
Our
confidence.
journey ends here. He's just out for the rest of the threat.
Oh, I shouldn't read the results yet. The chain 2.
Chain 2,
Stars
success 2.
2. Stars 2. It's
Yes.
dodgy.
You can do
It's not
this.
too bad.
You can do this.
I believe.
Okay. Chain 2, stars 2. I want to double my pleasure, so double my fun like this.
Is that how you do it?
So you double your pleasure by doubling your fun.
Okay.
I'm thinking there was more to that.
The rest of it's just gum.
Oh, nobody likes gum unless you're dumb dumb or gum
I'm
gum
dumb.
for dumb dumb.
Gum gum. I'm surprised at how quickly I picked up that reference.
You
I think
already
this is it.
referred to it earlier
That's
today.
that's true.
It was already on your mind,
That's true.
which is probably the only reason
Wow,
I
look at
thought
the
of it.
Symbols,
Because of Brundon.
but you don't.
I
need
should try to
symbols.
find that clip.
Brandon.
It's Brundon.
Okay, I
Dumb
got
dumb
2 stars.
Nice.
You actually
Do you want
got
me to read
2
it?
with 1.
Hang on, I got this.
I should go get my engraving magnification and give you like the hood with the lights.
I bought one of those the other day, so I have one now for knitting.
Nice.
You dive to the side, barely evading the branch. As it tries to grab you, you run, putting distance between yourself and the threat. A blue hand with a square on it.
Oh,
Yes.
Yeah.
I'll keep one of these.
yeah. One goes in your hand. if
Take
you like.
one 049, a single 049 card.
There you go.
Why'd you look at me when you said that?
Just waiting for him to correct me
Uh-huh.
because I'm about to pull out a 149 card.
That was a single 049 card, and then and a 150 card.
Oh, that is available.
Okay. There's no more instructions on this.
Okay.
You're focused, and you get to keep one of
Oh, I'm
these.
focused.
All right, now the rest of us can go over there.
I have a feeling we should probably do that thing.
177.
Yeah,
Okay.
since this is a.
It's somewhere.
Special
Something
card.
is here. Something important is here.
There isn't.
You stroll through the cemetery, surprised to discover it relatively well preserved. It is rare to find them untouched by the necrodruic henchmen, who used to steal corpses from graves, enabling their master to shape monstrosities. You notice a curious detail. The same family name is engraved on many of the headstones. A voice startles you. A man about 40 cycles old emerges suddenly from among the gravestones. We've talked to this dude before.
Oh yeah.
We could talk to him again, though. Read 275 if we want to.
Maybe the seed symbol will be on there. In somewhere.
Because he's the one that we eventually went to one of the crypts and like went down into it and
Yes.
revealed something like the very first threat.
Something to do with light and dark.
Yes.
Have you come here to visit a lost one? No, don't be afraid. I'm Gyron, the keeper of these graves. I wager you weren't expecting to find a cemetery in such a remote place. Burial is an old custom, almost forgotten today, except for nobles like us who still practice it. Restoring this very old and forgotten cemetery cost my grandfather a lot of work and tears. Yes, many tears. It was no easy task to transport the bodies of our family, decimated when the burrowers caused the ground to swallow Valengard. Grandfather told me many stories about that time that will stay with me forever, and as he and my father are buried here, I will maintain the family necropolis to keep it safe from the necrodruids and their cursed plants. If both your influence score and your defense score are 10 or higher,
Oh,
We've never successfully done whatever this is.
it was what in our defense score?
Influence.
and defense.
Defense.
Our defense has never really been high enough to do.
Except for on the very first scenario, we put a lot into defense and it didn't do anything for us. Despite it constantly talking about, you're going to get attacked, you're going to get attacked.
Nope.
And just
We
nothing
read a
ever-
lot into it, what it was saying. And it wasn't a thing.
So this is the river,
It is.
which means we want to go this way. Because it was where the river met the Great Sea that the herbalist was sitting.
I think you're right, but why is this card?
It's going to cost us 7 cards to reveal this one.
Both of these are in the 600 range, so that's different on this card.
It's going to be expensive to reveal this.
Okay, well,
It's expensive
I think it's on
you have
purpose.
a lot of cards.
because we got the shivers.
I have a lot. Have you?
I mean, I've done a few things. Do you want to spend it instead?
I've only done like 2, 3
Okay.
cards.
Oh,
How many?
7.
Okay.
A naked man is bathing in the river. That's what you spent 7 cards for.
Hope it's worth it.
All right.
If at least one female character is among the involved characters,
Yep.
or if one of them has a female companion, the naked man hurriedly grabs his clothes and bolts before you can speak to him. Banish this.
Oh no.
Otherwise,
Suddenly a man.
I'm suddenly a dude.
I'll just put my
Hey.
little-
No way!
Otherwise,
Oh shoot.
I don't know what you're talking about.
both of mine look like, I don't know. Otherwise, the man steps out of the river to greet you. He explains that he's been living off the land since his family was killed by burrowers, surviving on fish he manages to catch. You may offer for him to join you. If you would
Yes.
rather resume your journey immediately, banish this.
We want naked man.
Let's get Naked Man. We want Naked Man on our team really
Wait,
badly.
I'm a girl.
No, you're
You're
not.
not.
Oh.
They really want naked man.
We need Naked Man on
I'd
our
say
team.
I say let him run away.
I mean, just as much as we needed the brain people
We needed a
We
naked
need naked
man.
man on our team.
Yeah, we can't. Like, we need naked man. Like, how can you not?
We've never come across this in all the times we've done 4s.
Yeah.
We'll never get this
I
chance
think
again.
I think it's new from the expansion stuff.
I'm just gonna believe that.
I love that, like, he is so terrified of a woman seeing him that he runs away. Not just hides,
runs.
but flees. But
probably
he's
had
so
clothes around
comfortable
here
with
somewhere.
us, he doesn't. He just probably, like,
What's up, guys?
full frontal. Is, hey, dudes.
Okay, it's an A plus B action.
Bald is gonna help.
What's our crown score?
6.
Oh, okay. So it's chained 1, 3 success.
Bald is gonna help. I should probably do this.
Okay.
It's not a fight though, right?
No, it's the A plus B symbol.
They're both gonna help.
Okay.
Chained what?
Chained 1, 3 success.
Oh, that's a lot. It's chained 2.
Oh, wait.
It's at least chained 2.
Oh, that's not that card. Okay.
This isn't so bad. Chained 2. I already have 1 symbol on the way to getting another star. So I'm chained 2 with basically an extra star. How many successes?
3.
This actually really could be pretty hard. Do I have anything else that helps with this?
The only thing I have.
Maybe I
is-
can't do this.
Is a guaranteed star, but that I don't think I have a way of getting
That's
2 stars on one
similar.
card. So you have to get 2 stars on 1 card and a flag.
Okay. And a flag?
You got 2 flags.
Yeah, you got it.
I have like
Plus, you could have used
2
yours,
flags,
but you don't need.
a third flag.
Or you
can
could do
a
this
4th
max
flag
3
if necessary.
times. You can do that
I can
max,
do that over
so
again. So it's
1,
chained
2, 3, 4.
2.
You could have potentially 2 stars from that.
He only gets 1 star from that.
2.
He only has 2
So I have
flags.
3 successes already. How many successes do I need?
You just need 3.
That's it.
Okay, then we take a 44. You met this man during your journey in the collapsing lands. Traveler. Oh, he's not naked, man. It's just traveler.
Did he put clothes on?
Yeah, he got a shirt.
He's Donald Ducking it or something?
He's Donald
Probably.
Ducking it. And
Yeah, I
his
can't
only,
see the bottom half, but
Wait,
he's
I just
definitely
died
Donald
before.
Ducking it.
His only value is to take a damage for you.
Good.
We've had him before. He's a loser.
I'll take him.
696. You want the traveler? You gotta
Yeah.
make it, man.
I love that look on his face.
It's a
I gotta put him
it's a
down.
little much.
He's like,
This is where the crossing river leaves the Great Sea to join the Black Ocean much further west. At the edge of the swamp, the chimney of a rickety shack belches out smoke.
Yes, that's
This
who we
is-
need to
this
talk
is
to.
probably it.
That is the herbalist.
Focus. How come?
That was a lot
I don't know why it's
closer
not focusing.
than I thought it would be.
Yeah.
Oh gosh. Oh there. Oh. there we go.
I don't need a card, but I can move us.
I do. And I want my next card.
Okay.
What? Did I screw that up? I screwed that up. Oh well.
You need a 6/2/2.
Who uses flags?
Me. A lot. The hut, a single room dwelling, has been turned upside down. Daylight seeps through the gaps between the warped planks, illuminating a chaotic scene. Shelves have been knocked over. There are jars and vials scattered, and shards of broken glass on the floor hint at a recent struggle. Amid the wreckage. Oh, that cost everybody extra to move.
Yeah.
2 cards.
Oh.
Oh, I could do this. This
Amid
is-
the wreckage lies an unconscious elderly woman on the floor. Her frail forearms are marked with deep gashes. Nearby, a cracked cauldron stained with blood rests on the ground. Healing action.
I'm getting rid of the rain of blades. Sorry, guys. In favor of getting us extra life
Healing
points.
actions. 0 card, not chained. 2 stars.
I don't have my...
Any number of cards for 2 successes, basically.
Any cards for 2
Okay.
successes?
I could do it. You just need 2 successes.
Yeah.
Well, anybody could get them no matter what. No? Okay. 2 successes.
Yeah.
Should probably do this. Do an extra one.
Even have our symbol on it, did it?
No, I think this card changed what these were.
Okay, I
And
already
this
got
is a
it.
different card.
Than what's normally there.
Yep.
I got it more than enough.
Which made, I think, this be all the 600 series cards, I think, are all
All new.
like this whole thing is different.
Oh, we get to read special.
So you completed it?
Yeah.
Do we have the side quest Spinewort initiated?
No.
Okay, then it's 038A.
038. The woman slowly opens her eyes, her breathing shallow. She tries to sit up, but every movement seems to drain what little strength she has left. Stay down, I'll help you, whisper, kneeling beside her. Who did this to you? She winces in pain, her gaze drifting for a moment before looking back into yours. A man, an unfamiliar face, only 4 fingers. I hit him with my cauldron. Her face is barely a whisper. He ran, but stabbed me with his dagger. I know what it is. She raises her arm with great effort, revealing dark purple blotches along her wounds. The poison on his blade, an old venom. I would recognize it anywhere. Deadly and fast. You frown, concerned. There must be a way to counter it. The old woman gives a faint nod. Yes, spinewort. Only spinewort can stop this poison. It grows in the mire, between brambles and moss-covered stones. Tall, with pointed leaves, and a reddish stem. Her
We gotta
voice
go over
fades,
there.
her eyelids falling shut. You gently take her hand. Hold on, I'll come back with the plant. You're going to make it. Spinewort looks like this.
We just have to find it on the terrain card.
Yeah, that's my guess. But it's in the mire, she says.
Okay. This is actually doable going this way.
Between brambles and moss-covered stones. Okay, so side quest. Spinewort. And then 038A is the dialogue.
Okay.
When it can be seen on a permanent event card.
Okay.
Permanent event.
Yeah, it's like one of
not
these
even
side
one of
one
these.
things.
Then that's
No, it's not.
check initiated once we can see it.
But it's not necessarily
gotta be
these.
close, though.
It's not necessarily these. It can also be stuff like this. You
Yeah.
can activate it. But this way is actually goable with our ground shiver.
Oh,
So-
yeah, let's do that.
We gotta go this way.
I get. My guess is in that one.
I mean, it could be.
It's, yeah.
Let's see here. You are lost. Luckily, one tree dominates the others. You should be able to find your way from its high branches. So we could do a harder action of climb to figure out where to go, or we can take longer and try our luck of just navigating.
Anybody can climb.
I could.
You can climb? You have a climb
I could
action?
pull one of these cards back out and I gotta climb in here.
It's a chain 2, 3 success to climb.
Look at the top 3 cards right here. I could also do that. I could look at any 3 cards in my action deck.
I don't have anything that helps me with climbing my deck.
I can do it probably pretty easy with this. So, but this uses up my focus.
Might as well use it.
Yeah. So I bring this, put my head back in my action deck. It sure does say that. Okay. Let's replace this one. All right. All right, party people.
Party people.
Yeah. Put like a bunch of these out later, and I'm kind of skillful. We don't have to ready up with that, but I need 2 penguins.
Okay.
You know, there's probably a lot riding on this. Let's just be safe.
And Plether's gonna help you.
What's Plether gonna do?
Give you a penguin.
Oh. Okay. Yeah.
Penguin.
Yeah.
Penguin.
Yeah.
Penguin.
4 penguins.
And is this chain 2?
Yeah.
3 success? Then I do this.
Okay. You can put one of those back in your hand,
Alright.
and we successfully navigate our way. Get a 6-7-5.
Well done.
On a rocky promontory, fat plants covered with prickles border several paths. There is nothing natural about this vegetation. That's weird.
Man-made vegetation?
Well, the cards don't line up. Like, this wants a 5 that way and this wants a 4 that way. That's never really happened before. It's always matched.
No, we've had that happen before.
We have?
Yeah. Where it changed based on how we revealed it. But all of these are difficult to get past.
All this the mire? They're all gonna cost us.
Yeah. They're all going to cost us big. Anybody need a hand card?
No.
I'm good, but I'll just do it if I need someone.
Sure.
I'm moving.
Well, we all gotta move.
Wait, this isn't the mire though.
It takes 2 for all of us.
Actually, before I move and before you
This isn't
move,
the mire.
because you lost a bunch of hit points, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do restoring aura and get you 3 life points back.
Oh, thank you.
And so I'm going to.
Aw.
Okay. Yep.
That'd be great.
That gives you 3 life points,
Awesome. Appreciate it.
and then I can. Let me just get a card back when I do this.
Dang it.
Brandon, you're such a sweetheart for doing that.
Thank you. That's what people always say about me.
The mire's
I think that's the first time that sentence has been said to me. And it felt really weird to just play along with it and just let it pass. I didn't like it. I kind of want to go back in. I don't like that.
You can't.
I like the way I feel now.
You can't go back from here.
I don't like it.
You just have to learn
Can
from
we
your
undo
past
that?
mistakes now. And get on with life.
Should we
This is why I
stop
don't
there?
talk to you because I don't like having those past mistakes that I have to just
That
get
you
over.
just cringe about for
I'm
the
gonna
next
wake
several
up in a
months
month.
to years.
Brandon,
Wake
shut
up in
up,
a
you
month.
stupid little bitch.
No, that's more like it.
Does that make you feel better?
That makes me feel a lot better.
All is right in the world.
Hey,
Maybe now I won't wake up in a fever sweat dream in the middle of the night, remembering this moment. Know that I said something, then just let it pass.
There we go.
the Myers, according to the maps, like over here.
So maybe we should go this way then.
Yeah.
I mean, all of this costs the same to go, so we might as well
Yeah.
go the way
We
towards.
just go back over this way.
Okay. Do we want to?
That costs. I don't know the cards.
Should we look over here?
Yeah, I'll
Costs you
spend
7 cards to do that.
I'll do it.
Cost 7 cards to look in it?
Yes.
I didn't touch it.
I'll touch it.
I think you touched it.
Okay. I probably lost a lot
I'm
of
not gonna
important
say
cards.
what I saw.
Oh. A link. This is dumb. This is exactly not what we need.
I almost like, maybe we should go a different way.
A link waves at you. Unfortunately, a turbulent river stands between you, rushing so loudly that any conversation is possible. If you'd rather go on your way, discard this. We're not going to spend a bunch of cards to get to a link. 637.
They're just like, how's your day? And you're like,
I don't think we
let's have a
spent.
small talk across the river.
Actually, did everybody spend enough cards for us to go south where we're currently at?
We all did. Did you? Did you
Probably
spend an
not.
extra 2?
I don't think I did.
Okay, we'll spend an extra 2. Get with the program.
Because I did these 2, but not these 2.
Yeah, we all did these 2. You were looking at the map, probably. Trying to educate us on where to go. And then I'll spend a card to move us on this one, because I do need a hand card again. Unless we want to do these things here, but we were thinking we're not in the mire yet.
No, I think this is the mire.
Okay. Then I will move us to go that way. Oh, okay, that's not bad.
I think this 6-3 something is
that.
the mire. Is that a 6?
Finish your job. Yeah, that's a 6.
I can't roll that high.
So
I think we want that 6-3-6.
639.
Fine. If you say so.
Every once in a while you get the numbers right.
I'm a little losing it.
This will probably be our last thing before we should probably end.
A narrow trail winds toward the heart of the swamp, leading between thorny brambles and moss-covered stones. Between brambles and stones, brambles and stones.
For the thing on it.
Yes.
Is it on there?
You're not away. There's more to do before then. The path gradually fades, becoming a little more than a faint line between muddy puddles and tall grass. There is stifled, and your forehead beads with sweat. We have to navigate this place. So,
Role play.
starting at the beginning, cost 10 cards.
Oh, we have to fight this?
Whoa.
What are we fighting? Or just
It's not
navigating?
really a fight, it's a navigation. Does anybody feel like they have a bunch of cards left?
What are we doing?
I'm
I
a
lost.
little less than halfway.
I'm low on cards at this point.
I'm down to 9.
Okay.
I mean, recovering's not that hard, and you've
I've
already
got
lost.
10.
Oh, you got your health back.
I got about 10, so I could do it.
I have 8 cards left.
3, 4, 5,
We just need somebody to spend 10
7.
cards.
8, 9, 10.
Didn't you have a card that reduced
Oh.
the number?
It's different.
I
It's
have
like
11.
when you just have to discard
I have
cards.
10.
It can negate discarding cards,
you.
but not the spending of them.
I have 10 exactly. Should I just
Can the dog
spend
do it?
No, it's for
Oh.
presence and digging.
Yeah, just do the 10. I'm sure there's 2 successes in there somewhere. So we move to the next one, which is chained 6. 6 successes. It's a little harder.
I mean, I could do that. I've got the 8.
My bonuses are combat at the moment.
I also have a guaranteed success and a chain that I can add. So to just make sure we get past this, I can just do all 8. And then recover.
Yeah.
And that should guarantee us.
Chain 6 success, yeah.
Out of 8 cards. With a guaranteed success and a chain, extra chain if I need it.
Probably.
Unless you'd rather me say that for something else. I'll do this one.
It's the next one that I don't know how we're gonna do, but
What do you mean? It's chain 2.
4 successes.
Oh, should I save my stuff for that one?
Is yours a guaranteed success?
What kind of action is this?
It's a
Not.
wayfinding, so can't the compass one.
Like, Plethora gives symbol. He's not really gonna help with this. Mauled can't help. A lot of my other things are combat oriented. I can do an extra chain is all I can do.
I have like
Chain 3, 4 success is not impossible. But it's not so different from your guaranteed success.
I have. You get me.
I
just a
could-
star.
I could use intuition and pull all my reflexes to the top.
What?
Yeah, I could take 3 of my action cards and put them
And the top
back
of
in
the
any
you want.
order. So I have.
No, you take your top 3 action cards, right?
I know, but look at the top 3. Oh,
Yeah, and you just change their
that's a
order.
different one.
You can't just choose 3 to put up there.
I thought it was a different one. I have
You're
it
just
one
gonna
that-
change the
that
order, and you have
I
to
could
spend all
pick.
3 of them anyways for these. I don't think we have
Can
any
we
other.
use cards just right now? It's not like a mandatory. Or
We already started this. Someone already spent 10 cards.
Unless you have something that's a guaranteed star, you're not.
He does have one thing that's a guaranteed star. Like me.
I do have one guaranteed star.
So that's guaranteed star and again extra chain are pretty equivalent.
I have a guaranteed star and an extra chain. I have both.
Oh, you should probably do the last
I should
one.
probably do the last one. And
Yeah.
Someone else do
I'll
this
do
one.
this one because I can do like a chain 7 with it.
How many are there? 'Cause we already did 2 of them, right?
We did one of them.
I thought someone just did the second one. Didn't you do?
I was
the second one?
I did
just
the
about
first.
to, and then we're like, I have a lot that I could put towards a more complicated action, and so he stopped me.
Right.
He's gonna do it.
So I'll just do like chain 7, 6 successes, which seems more reasonable, right?
You know.
We're already winning.
Doing good.
Yeah,
2 reflexes so
it's
far.
seeming like it's not going to be too bad. Four, 6, let's see, 6, 8, 9, 10,
Yeah, you got it.
11.
Okay, so now I gotta do chain
2
2.
can go back in my hand.
4.
Holy flips, that was 9 for 9.
Guard this and replace it with a 6/3/9. Which I guess I do because
They're probably vibe coding your updates.
I like it.
yeah, this was right here. So replace this
Especially
with
for it
the
to go
6/3/9.
years
Okay.
and years and years with no updates, and then suddenly it's like every week.
They're vibe coding it.
Yeah.
There they are.
You finally see where the path terminates, only to be sorely disappointed when you realize you have reached a dead end. But it's the plants we're looking for. So what do we do when we have the plants we're looking for?
We initiate the quest.
You finally see where the
Ready? Ready? Initiated.
Now we should have to head back to the dying lady.
Back to the rush.
up,
Back
is
to
that
the
a
dying lady.
Now we should have to head back to the dying lady.
Back to the rush.
up,
Back
is
to
that
the
a mush-
dying lady and save her.
There's a mushroom.
Ooh, I eat it.
No, it's
It's
not.
a different
one,
mushroom.
It's not a mushroom you
I
know
eat it.
about. It's not one you know
it's like
about.
a red
toadstool.
one. Oh, I definitely eat this one. It's colorfully delicious.
No.
Yeah.
No. Bright.
Color
you
means
know,
good things.
we do-
bright
we-
colors and
we-
nature
We
don't.
do
mean
want
good.
him to eat mushrooms because
It ain't bad.
that's one of these
That-
things.
they-
Well, why would
doing
it,
that
why
to
would
warn
it
you
want
of
to grab my
danger.
attention
So that you know to avoid
to
it.
eat it?
It's a
But
warning.
it's so easy to find.
It's a warning.
Good things aren't hard to find.
No, like a flashing warning sign. Bright red,
like-
stay away.
Yeah, but every time I eat like a candy, it's bright and trying to grab my attention.
Yeah, but that's made by
Like the
humans,
neon
and
signs.
humans are dumb.
Neon signs on buildings say
Nature
"Eat here,"
was smart
It's
about its
kinda like
color,
that.
and humans are dumb about how
but
they
don't we
color things.
mimic nature?
Well, red, and not only that, but that red food coloring is going to cause cancer.
Okay, but that's a long ways away.
It's made out of lead, because we're still in the
Look,
70s.
we need to eat mushrooms 7 times.
See,
by the
I'm
way.
helping.
Fine, he ate the mushroom.
Death.
Thus
Your journey
ends your
ends here.
addiction.
Dead.